0.27% in the pre-market. We've got the Fed. Today is the big day with the Fed. That's gonna be it. Okay. Also, we have the 10-year break-even inflation rate, which just started going up again. Which I don't want to freak y'all out, but I mean, it's the last 3 days, last 3 trading days, it's gone up a fair amount. So obviously, that's not what you want to see, and this is what everyone's freaking out about. Okay, this is it. The Fed speaking. We've got the Fed Reserve at 2 p.m. Eastern, and then we got JP press conference at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. So that's gonna be 1 p.m. Central, and then 1:30 p.m. Central. So yeah, that's what everybody's watching today, and we'll see. We already saw selling off yesterday for this. We already saw the market try attempt to price that in yesterday. I think at least a little bit, right? Today it's gonna be interesting to see if everyone's still freaking the fuck out, or if we're gonna. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it was a brutal. I mean, just look at high growth yesterday. Okay, almost everything is red. I mean, you got double digits in the red stem, down almost 11%. Almost everything is red. Microvision got killed. Nano Dimension got killed. Obviously, Bionano got killed. So it's going to be interesting to see. We did get some nice news today, though, and we do have 3 minutes till the open. I'm not going to forget. I'm going to try my best not to forget to actually have the stock on during the open. But we did have some nice news. Finally, for once, we had this guy, the BTIG analyst, that company's analyst. This guy initiates coverage on Bionano Genomics. He states is it a buy? So you guys know I don't really give two thoughts about the analysts' price targets and opinions usually, but it's not horrible. It's not horrible. Oh, that's a woman. That's a woman. I wouldn't know, to be honest with you. Okay, fair enough. All right, but yeah, that is good to see. And then also apparently, I don't know if this just happened, I guess, but Tip Ranks, I guess they lowered their one of their price targets here, which I literally do not care about at all. In my opinion, okay, this stuff doesn't. Okay, come on, can we be honest, dude? This stuff is never. I mean, this stuff is barely ever right. So it's not my go-to. It's not what I really don't care about the analysts. Let me give you some perspective, guys. If the analyst price targets were $5 and $1, I would not care. Okay, because I mean, I've seen so many stocks. I mean, I think CTXR is a good example if they haven't updated it yet. That's the first one that comes to mind. Let's see if this one. Let's see. Okay, never mind, I updated it. But anyways, I was going to say CTXR's price targets were absolutely super low not too long ago. Well, it was pretty long ago now that I think about it. Okay, it was months ago. But you get my point, right? They don't know what the hell they're doing. They don't update them sometimes. So I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. And also the other news that we got yesterday was we got 2 more. This isn't really news. This is just normal at this point. But we got more leaps for the CBO, for Richard Shippey. Our new, we got a Form 3 here stating that he's an insider, and then we got a Form 4 that is giving him leaps and giving him the right to buy a lot of shares, 400,000, which is what we want to see. I think it's good. I got a comment on the Reddit post I did saying it's horrible. I disagree. I think it's good, and I gave him my case, and we can go over that if y'all want. All right. Here we go. 30 seconds to the open. What do you guys think? 20 seconds. What is everyone's predictions today? Do y'all think it's going to be death and carnage? I don't think the Fed is going to be that bad today. I don't think so. But what are the markets going to do in anticipation for that? I'll say it right now. Okay, don't get mad at me if we're red today, because you need to sell now if you're going to be mad if we're red. Okay, it's not for you if you're going to get mad at that shit. All right. This stock, I don't know when. The stock is insane. You guys already know you're getting in a battle if you're buying or holding at this point right now. Okay, there you go. There's the open. Oh, no. Look at all this selling right there. Actually, there's not even that many shares being sold, but still. Damn. BNGO $9, big green after Fed. I think it's going to be, honestly, I think there's a higher chance that the Fed doesn't do anything stupid. I think the Fed is going to be, I think the markets are going to like what the Fed says today, but I could be totally wrong. Almost up 1% right now. I'm curious to see. Does anyone know? Was anyone watching the price action and the news of Bionano in the pre-market today? Was the spike up in the pre-market? Was that because of the analysts rating it as a buy? Was that because of that news? I would love to know if that was the case. Because right now we're kind of outperforming everything in high growth, similarly to yesterday. Right at the open, we were doing great. Everything else was red. Bionano was up 2-3%, and then obviously the rest of the day was just slow down trending. Oh, wow. We got 22,000 shares bought at 747 at the ask, helping the price to move higher. There we go. We're still so much buying. So much buying. Buying is coming in here at the start. See the opening. 1% right now in the green. Let me see how the broader markets just opened up. Okay, the Nasdaq is okay. Wow, that's a pretty pleasant surprise. The Nasdaq is green. The Russell, on the other hand, is getting absolutely annihilated, down almost 0.5%. Fear index is down. That's interesting on a Fed day. We'll see if that rises throughout the day. I guess yesterday was pricing it in, right? It's already okay. Everybody already. Yeah, the tricky thing about the Fed is like everybody already knows it's coming. So when is it already priced in? I mean, technically it should have been priced in as we know in the day, right? Because the market already prices in future stuff as best as it can. But it doesn't matter. People still freak out, right? Almost 2% in the green, 750. About to test 750. We've got a fake wall. Everybody, all the new traders, you want to know what fake wall is? There you go, right there. Let me go over there. Okay, there you go. We just broke it. Okay, yeah, I didn't even have time to show you because it was that much. It was that fake. Okay, there you go. There you go, man. Next wall is at 760. Dude, they're just trying. I mean, I sound like a broken record, but if the Fed meeting does go well today, it's gonna be a damn good day. Okay, everybody and their dog knows that, but I mean that especially for Bionano. Look at that sporadic move to the upside. I love it. I don't love that we're a little bit overextended on the Bollinger Band on the 5-minute. We need to go sideways a little bit here for a little bit. RSI is at 67 on the 5-minute chart here. We did get the bullish flip. Yes, finally we have finally we have the bullish Supertrend and SAR flip. Finally, for once. Was there any bears this morning? I didn't even see anything. I didn't see any bears this morning. 760. 3% in the green. 3% in the green. And let me just I'm gonna go back to the chart here in 1 second, but let me look at this. Okay, I want to compare. I want to show you guys something. Okay, look at high growth today. Bionano's volume is absolutely killing nano dimension and microvision. That's always a good sign. Also, look at this. AMC is down 6%. SENS is down 4%. Dude, these stocks, high growth is getting hurt today. Look at down here. Okay, SOS down 3%. Mora is down. Oxygen is doing well. There's not anything else really running today. Bionano is up 3% right now. We'll see if it stays. Okay, yesterday it was the exact same thing, right? We freaking had a nice open candle, and then we just, first 10 minutes were good, and then it was just slow bleeding the whole day, right? So who knows? Maybe it could be the shorts are about to take new positions right here and then push it down throughout the rest of the day. It could be that. Obviously, I don't think they should, but they definitely can. They have a mind of their own. They're arrogant as hell. If you watched the video yesterday, you already know. Okay, the short interest rose yesterday. Excuse me. So it's there you go. It's the same. All right, it's 832. That's 832 right there. BNGO news only. Okay. Okay, let's see. We got a Seeking Alpha article here. Yes. Okay, let's check it out. I'll check that out pretty soon. We got to leave the price action on right now, though. Up about 2.5%, 756. It's 30,000 shares at 764. At 764, and the price doesn't go up. Really? 30,000 at the ask. Wow. Is Marco here? Hi, I am here, but I day trade this pump and dump. Okay. Mythical's back. Yes. Mythical Physics is back. Is that the first comment he said? All right, let's go. I'm loaded up. BNGO heading to 10. I'm working on some DD. That makes me that's awesome to hear. That's awesome to hear, man. I love it. Not only because you're coming to the Jedi side, I should say, not the dark side. Or are we the dark side? Are we the dark side or not? Are we the Jedi or the Sith? I'm fine with either. But you're coming to the Fellowship of the Sapphire. I love it. And here's why. Because it takes a lot of courage to admit your mistakes and change sides. It does. And I guess Mythical Physics is doing that. I guess. I'm a little bit confused, to be honest with you. Yeah, but Mythical Physics is now bullish, so I love it. I love to see a Jedi. It is a bull manifesto now. Oh, it's too funny. Right when Mythical comes in and then says it's great, then we start dumping. Perfect timing. If Jedi, I'm Obi-Wan. Nope, you can't be Obi-Wan. Base positive. Freaking, we already have somebody that's Obi-Wan. BNGO, Obi-Wan, BNGOB. That's his name on YouTube. He's in the community. He's not in here that much, but he's awesome. He's awesome. Yeah, and he's already Obi-Wan, I guess. 20,000 shares was bought at the Ash 753. Price is still really struggling. Okay, well, we did just get some nice real selling pressure right before that, but still, 20,000 shares cancels all of that and more. Wow. Let me see what the markets are doing. Russell's still down the same amount. Okay, Dow just flipped red. SPY is not doing well either. And the Nasdaq is still doing its thing. Interesting. The Russell's just taking a beating these last 2 days. I mean, I guess it closed all right, but still, I mean, it took a beating yesterday. It's taking a beating today so far. Nano Dimension's price and BNGO's price, they're almost the same still. It's so weird. I cannot wait for the day where Bionano just stays a week like $1 ahead of Nano's price, because it's not. I don't think we should be the same price as Nano Dimension, right? I like them, but just not as much as BNGO, you know. All right, this straight up at the open scares the hell out of me because it always drops like a stone shortly after a short action. Yeah, honestly, yeah. I kind of said, right? I kind of said 2 minutes ago, right? This could be where the shorts take their new positions, right? Quick run out the open, and then they just push it down the rest of the day. That's what happened yesterday. Obviously, we hope that doesn't happen. That should not happen, but, you know, it definitely can. It definitely can. Mythical Fizz is writing his bear manifesto and realizes he wrote a bullish manifesto, so he changed his size. Oh, yeah, that's... Yeah, I don't know. Mythical Business, can you clarify for us? Like, are you what would you classify yourself as now? Are you just like us? Are you Fellowship of the Sapphire person now? Mythical is the chosen one. He will bring balance to the short interest. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Well, yeah, we are dumping right now. Yep. There's no other way to say it. Yeah, everything is, though. It looks like everything is. Yeah. Except Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef doesn't care about the markets. AMC is going down finally for once. It's still not even close to the retracement that I want it to be. Potential trade if it comes down to $50, $53. Yep, or 52, I guess. Maybe we'll do that one later. We haven't done a trade in a while. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know if you know, but I'm free smoking the Discord. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, free smoke is murder DRTR. All right, cool. Cool. What's I going to do? What was I going to check? Yeah, okay, let's check the genomics sector. Yes. Yeah, genomics sector is actually getting hurt today. Illumina's doing well. PatBio is down 1%. And everything else is down. And, of course, this is not all of the genomics companies, but, I mean, you know, it's a lot of them. So, Bionano, as you can see, outperforming all of them. Right? Give credit where it's due, right? Of course, anything can happen by the end of the day. Okay, anything can happen in the next 5 minutes. We can be red in 5 minutes. Okay, seriously, but, you know. But we did get good news today. If anyone's just getting in right now, it's going to be the new news is we got a new analyst saying Bionano is a buy, and then we've got the new we got a Form 4 and a Form 3 SEC filings, and they're basically just giving more leaps to the CBO. So nothing crazy, you know. I think I like this. I love to see those. No one else cares. I don't know. I don't understand. It's guaranteed buying of shares down the line. They're going to exercise them. They're going to buy shares. It incentivizes them to work harder and get the stock price higher. If it further, it almost binds them to the company more, right? It just gives them more motivation to become a millionaire. A lot of them are not millionaires yet, and this is going to be the one thing that makes them millionaires. Those freaking options, and they're only going to be millionaires if the stock price does well. That makes them work harder, my friends. I think it's I love to see it. I think it's I'm like, hell yeah. I like the leaps that we get. No one else does, though. I don't know. What do you guys think of it? I don't think the analyst buy actually had a price target. I think this is the official thing. Yeah, June 16th. Let me see if there's another one. Hold on. Real quick, because the price is doing well. Hold on. Okay, it says $10 price target. Okay, never mind. Okay, so $10 price target. That's not good at all, but, you know, whatever. Hey, we'll take it, I guess. I guess. 2% in the green right now. That bounce is beautiful. Yes, sir. Nice hammer candle formed. It is formed. And the RSI is cooling down on the 5-minute. We're still in bullish territory on the SAR and Supertrend, and we're not that overextended on the 5-minute Bollinger Bands anymore. I shouldn't say, well, the setup is all right now. I mean, it just depends with the markets. Okay, everything is moving the same. Literally every stock is moving the same right now. This is why I say I love the technicals, right? The technicals are great, but just on days like these, especially with the Fed and the markets literally controlling everything, it's more about what high growth does than what Bionano does, right? And of course, no one cares about the news. No one cares. Okay, the analyst price target, I don't care about that. What I do care about is all the options that we've got and the new 2 employees that we got and the business expansion, right? And the CLIA lab, right? The Clinical Laboratory Improved Amendment lab that we're setting up that no one knows about. I didn't even know about that for a while. Always Right has been talking about that for a while, but he's never gave me a link until he did the write-up on Reddit. So that's great. So that's great to see, and no one knows that. Of course, no one cares either. Oh, man. Our lowest price was 4. It's 10 now. 10, 12, 14. Not bad for now. Yeah, I just don't care about those, but of course, yeah, it sounds better. Well, you know what? I care about them because other people care about them, and for the channel. For my own portfolio reasons and for Bionano as a company, I don't care if we go to $4 short term or 5 or 6 because I know long term fundamentally, as long as nothing bad happens, which, you know, fundamentally we're better now than ever. It's just a buying opportunity. But what was I gonna say? But yeah, the analyst price starts doesn't matter for that. The analyst price starts doesn't matter long term, but short term they do, right? Publicity, exposure, what the analysts think. A lot of people care what the analysts think. For they, so yeah. Can you please shout? Okay, let's go. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. My May is here called something, and he's in BNGO. Took some convincing, but he doesn't know. I'm messaging this. Shout out loud, please. Let's go. Let's go, Junior. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Jay. Bionano to the moon, man. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Burn the shorts. Burn them. That's an order. That's an order. Bullish territory for the win. Yes, sir. And we are obviously, and the big news that I forgot. Well, I didn't forget, but I was kind of talking about the recent news. Russell 3000 inclusion, June 25th, where it's gonna be effective on June 28th, the after the weekend there. So yeah. 757, almost up 3% right now. Rip the Bears, 23,000 shares at 760 at the ask, helping the price go way high. Look at that. That's a beauty. All right, the price was at like 757 when someone bought 23,000 shares at the ask right there, or actually higher than the ask, like 3 cents above the price. You just butchered his name. I know. How do you pronounce that? Somebody tell me how to pronounce it. I don't know. I'm horrible. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. It's not that your name is hard to pronounce. It's just that I don't have brain cells and stuff like that. My brain cells stop working. Yes. BNGO holding well, actually, considering everything else. Yes, they are. Yes, we are. Bionano is holding up extremely well right now. Look at this. All right, the biggest two competitors for Bionano, and the high growth at least, is Microvision and Nano, right? We're outperforming both of them today. Okay, the price of BNGO is higher now than NNDM. If you look at the high growth sector as a whole, it's like mostly red. It's mostly red. SENS is getting killed. AMC is getting killed. BlackBerry's killed. Clover killed. Microvision's red. So you love to see it. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. Check BNGO article bullish. I think I did, or well, I haven't looked at it yet. Yeah, is this this one? Yeah, this is the exact same one. Yeah, but we're gonna look at this pretty soon though. Yeah. No, I don't want to start the free trial. Bro, why do you charge me for articles? That's the most bullshit thing ever. All right, here we go. Let's read this. All right, Sage cut to neutral. It's no. Are you? Yeah, I can't read this. I can't. I'm not doing a free trial. I'm not doing this. Here, let me. You guys want to know a trick? Here we go. This is how you guys. You don't. This is how you do. Okay, you just have to copy and paste the whole article. No, I almost got it. Hold on, I'll get it right here. I'm gonna copy and paste this in the Google Doc, and then we can actually read it. Okay, if there's an. Is this even worth reading? Is this even worth reading? This better be worth reading. Oh, 4%, 765. I'm about to break the intraday high. We're overextended on the Bollinger Band, though, on the 5-minute at least, though. Woo, baby. Woo. Search the title in Google. Is there a, what do you call it? Well, here we go. I can just do it this way. I already did this. All right, here we go. This is how you get. All right. I love when we get through stuff like that. All right. So just downgrade the stock from neutral. Is this even about BNGO? This better be about BNGO. Bionano has a new buy at BTIG. Okay, good. Okay. Hold on. I got to go back to the price though. Well, okay. All right. Y'all tell me if we make a new intraday high. Y'all tell me if we do another one of these. If we start breaking the intraday high. My brain cells do the same until a blunt gets in my system. We hate that Weeble links to Seeking Alpha so much because, yeah, that's true. Yeah, you know they're getting that affiliate link. You know they're earning that commission action on you. But yeah, let's go ahead and read this. Make sure you spam the chat if we start testing 765 here. All right, but right now, all right, here we go. End of day price target is 875. Holy crap. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and. Is there anything about BNGO in here? Okay, here we go. It's initiated by a BTIG. All right, here we go. Marginally higher in early trading after BTIG initiated the coverage with a buy rating. The company may be on the cusp of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing market, argues this analyst with a price target of $10. $10. Okay, that's pretty interesting. That's good to see that an analyst actually uses that vocabulary, right? Maybe on the cusp of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing market. Prenatal, I'm telling you. Noting that Bionano's optical genome mapping could replace various traditional tools. Company looks set to significantly accelerate. Oh, we're doing it again. Oh my god! Every time we go away, it starts pushing again. Up 3.5%. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day when Marco. Well, actually, there's not really any serious bears anymore, which I love. Honestly, my mood is so much better if there's not any dumbass bears doing what they do best, which is dumbass stuff in the chat. I love when there's such an apathy of the bears. It's great. It's great. On a day like this, we're up 3%. It's beauty. It's beauty. Microvision's now green. Looks like the markets are starting to turn around. At least high growth is. Okay, SPY. The SPY is why do I have the SPY? Oh, why did I move my setup around? I think I moved my setup around accidentally. Anyway, SPY is down a fair amount. Still the same as last week chat. The Russell is down a little bit more, and the NASDAQ is doing well. The NASDAQ is giving high growth a chance to run, and right now it looks like it is. At least starting to, right? It's from the open, not run, but from the open it's starting to pick up a little bit. 764 right now. I'm going to go ahead and read the rest of this, I think. All right. Okay, it looks set to significantly accelerate its top-line growth in the coming years as it chases the total addressable market for genomic research estimated at $2 to $3 billion. That's actually false. That's actually I can prove to you that's false. This is actually wrong. Okay, what he just said, it's a subtle difference. You really have to know what the hell the definitions mean if you're gonna use the total addressable market thing. Total addressable market here. Let me just look it up for you to make sure I'm not gonna say something wrong. But total addressable market is not the serviceable obtainable market. Okay, let me look. Okay, right. Okay, here you go. The total. This is exactly what I said. It's not what you're gonna get on an annual basis. It's the total market demand for something. It's not, and this is why it's so stupid. Okay, let me show y'all something. All right, this guy is claiming that the total addressable market for genomic research is $2 to $3 billion. What he really means is the market opportunity. That's what Bionano calls it. Otherwise, the SOM, the serviceable obtainable market. Right? If we look up what a serviceable obtainable market is, right? This is what you can actually get, right? This is the portion of revenue within a specific product segment that a company is able to capture, right? So for the Sapphire, you could say, or even for the company, okay, that's how I use it, right? Yeah. Or the SAM. You could use the SAM. I think there's a SAM one as well. Anyways, basically, here, let me show you the graphic. All right, let me go down here. Right here. Okay, so this is not the total addressable market. This is the market opportunity if Bionano were to install 10,000 Sapphire systems, right? We're talking about $500 million. This is okay. I'm not going to read all the numbers for you, but here you go. It is 2.6 to 8.8 to 3.8 billion yearly, I believe. Yeah, it is yearly. Yes, it is. Okay, estimated revenues, annual recurring revenue. So I'm assuming this is well, this is annual. Okay, here we go. This is, oh my god, I wish they worded this so bad. But this is the oh my god, this is complicated. Okay, this is the annual part. This is what they would get for selling 10,000 Sapphires, essentially. So I guess this is not technically yearly, but it mostly is, right? Most of this is going to be yearly, and then this would just be, this part is going to be, something like that. And even if it's not quite 3.8 billion, that's the sum that we're going to get. Still, we're looking, even if we get like 1 billion in revenue, 500 million in revenue, we're going to, 50x from the current price easily, if not more, right? I mean, okay, if the revenue goes up, like what? Somebody do those numbers for me. I don't know how you calculate going from negative in revenue to 500 million in revenue. What is the X? What is the time? Somebody that's good at math, tell me, please. I don't do math. We don't do math here. Nope, not a chance. All right. Mythical Physics end of day price target is 875. Oh man. Daily chart was filled yesterday. Gives more confidence to bulls. Yeah, because the bulls, because the bulls don't understand that gaps are the dumbest thing ever. No, I'm kidding. They're fine. Gaps are fine. You guys know my spiel on gaps, though. It's just funny that people care about them so much because, yeah, sure, they're accurate, but I would argue it's because stocks fluctuate. And also, the only reason they exist is because, it's the gap in that candle. So it's like, it's after hours and pre-market trading. It doesn't, daily chart doesn't take into account. So it's like, oh wow, like why do y'all care about it so much? But whatever, okay. Hey, it doesn't matter if it's important. It just, if other people care about it, then you should, right? Because that's what other people care about. That's what the stock's going to be worth. So yeah, but you guys know my whole gap to fill spiel, man. This is not fair. Why are we going to red again, dude? We're up 2%. We're up almost 3% right now. What are you talking about, man? Hey, if you missing skull, I've seen you plenty of times before. I don't think you're a bear or one of those people that freak out. But for all the people that are like those, you need to get out of here. This is not for you. I'm just fed up with this now. Listen, Brandon, why you say $20 price target when we can't get 10? I had enough, dude. You need to get out. Okay, based on that comment, you need to get out of here. Yeah, you need to get the hell out. This is not the community for you. If you're gonna get mad at me if we can't get over $10, yeah, it's not for you. Stock market's not for you, my friend. I'm sorry, but you need to probably do something else if that's how you really feel. Sorry, my friend. It's just, I mean, I know it's the harsh truth, but let me break it to you, man. Stock market doesn't work like that. No one knows what. Let me break it to all the people out there, all right, all the new ones. No one knows what the hell is gonna happen. You got to just make your best prediction based on what you know. My prediction is $20 end of year likely case. There are a couple contingencies. I mean, basically just the markets, and of course the Sapphires being sold, but not really, okay? Because I'm expecting that to be huge. So, yeah, but yeah, it's not for you. It's not for you, man. Paper-handed weenie babies, dude. If you're paper handing, it's fine, man. It's just Brandon dropping the hammer candle on Scholar. Yeah, it's just sorry, mixing Scholar. Hey, no. I say hodl if you know what you're doing. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm trying to be respectful to you, my friend, but you have to understand. I say it every 5 seconds, and this is why I have to say it. The comments like this. The only reason you should hold right now and not sell is if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing in the stock market and you're new or something and you're not confident, just dude, it's not for you. It's not for you. It's not for everybody. Okay? It's not for everybody. That's as simple as it is, man. I'm sorry, but it's very hard. Hodling is a good idea if you understand the tech, understand the risks, and understand your risk tolerance and goals. Okay. Otherwise, it's not for you. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't want people to sell really necessarily, but some people need to sell because it's not for them. Weenie Hut Jr. Weenie Hut Jr. The paper hands. Wait a second. How are we getting somebody that's like paper handing right now or freaking out when we're up 2% on the day? It's weird. That's weird. Why didn't they come in yesterday? That's weird. Yeah, it's not Pee Wee baseball. There are no participation trophies, and it's not based on any sort of fairness. It's dog eat dog, bro. Yeah. Take it from Havana. My friend. I know what I do. I've been doing stocks for 4 months. 4 months is not. It's up to you to decide whether you think you're confident enough, but that's not a lot of time. So I would say this, hey, Christopher and everybody else that's Brandon, you said we're gonna get $10. You said we're gonna get 20, whatever the hell. Okay, if you're gonna be that person that's like Brandon, you suck. It's not at $10. You suck ass. I'm done. I'm done with you, Brandon. I hate you. If you're gonna be one of those people, if Bionano does if Bionano fails long term, okay. Honestly, although it's whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna do the whole spiel. Okay, this is a complicated issue, but basically, I'll just say this: if you don't understand the technology, if you don't understand the risks, there's a couple things you can do. The one thing you can do is just sell and then learn about stocks. Number two thing you can do is actually watch those videos in these playlists and actually understand the tech. Or number two, if you're more of a visual learner, right, you can read the due diligence, right? Those are both things. Both of those things will help you, right? I don't want anybody to just, I don't know. I don't want anyone to, please don't blindly trust me. You should not trust me. I'm a stranger on the internet, dude. I have a YouTube channel, and okay, you have to make your own decision, all right? I think, you guys know what I think about Bionano. You guys know I think this stock is going to make a lot of people, including us, a damn lot of money, okay? But at the end of the day, you got to do your own research, and here's why, okay? If you don't do your own research, let me show you something. All the new people. If you don't do your own research, you're going to panic sell, if we ever get another downtrend like this. Okay, the only people that were able to actually make money on this thing were the people that added on this dip, all the way down here throughout the freaking 3-month-long downtrend. And to do that, it takes, I don't want to make myself sound cocky, because I did do this, the community did this, but you have to have conviction, you have to have the courage to actually freaking average down and be in the red. That's what it is. And if you're a new trader, good luck doing that. It's a lot easier said than done. When you're going down 10% every day, 5% every day for a week straight, it's very hard to buy the dip. Trust me, okay? We've been there. Our community has been there, man. All right. $10 to $12 by August. I'm sticking to my analysis. By August. Right now we're dumping. Nano dimension is dumping. Everything is dumping right now. Markets are... Oh, look at the Russell. It won't stop. Where is the bottom for the Russell? Oh, that's painful. UVXY is going up a little bit. Well, I guess not really, but it's still down a little bit. I honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this starts climbing throughout the day. Okay, I mean, I guess you could make the argument that the fear of the Fed today is all priced in from yesterday, but people get fearful and panic all the time. Okay, but right now we're dumping down about 10 cents, more than 20 cents from highs, I guess, intraday highs. All right. You always say that you're not financial advisor, so if we follow your advice, that's on us. Listen, if we end red today again, I'll be okay. I lost $90 so far. I'm so angry right now, bro. $90? That's okay. I'm not making fun of you, but dude, we've lost, most of the people in the community that has lost much more, has been down much more than $90. But yeah, that's okay. You're doing fine. See, told you we would tank. I should have sold when I was up $200, dude. Mixing score, I don't know. I mean, based on what I'm seeing from you, I don't know if this is the right stock for you, man. I really don't. Okay, I really don't know if you can make money on this stock. If you don't have a plan, you don't have a chance. Your screen is blurry. Please fix your camera. That's because my camera sucks. Not my fault. The camera just sucks ass, man. Yeah. Is it more blurry than usual? I'm pretty sure you're just trolling. Anyways, bro, 90. I lost 30K over this last correction. Yeah, honestly. $90, bro. We lose that in a second, man. Those are rookie numbers. Get those numbers up, you rookie, right? Wolf of Wall Street, right? That Matthew McConaughey. What's that guy's character's name? I don't even know. Get those rookie. You need to pump those numbers up, son. We lose thousands of dollars every day. No. I'm down $37,000 from yesterday morning. Exactly, man. Exactly. You should be thankful you've only lost 90, right? I mean, the only way you're up on Bionano right now is if you actually average down, right? And I don't do this to brag, right? But if we look at my account, okay, the only reason why the portfolio is up, right? The only reason why Bionano is up 31% on my position is because I actually averaged down the red days. Now, if you're getting mad on a green day about us not going to $10, I can guarantee you there's a very high chance that you're going to not buy the dip when we dip, and we will dip. Even if we go to $10 tomorrow, we're still going to dip after that. There's always carnage in uptrends. It's just a fact of life. It's just factual. It doesn't matter how strong uptrend, how quickly you go. Even Bitcoin, Tesla, they all have corrections, and everyone always freaks out. And there are people who buy the dip like us at 430, and there are people who sell at 430. So you gotta make your own decision, man. It's something y'all. I know 99% of y'all know what you're doing. I know, but some of y'all, yeah, scare money does not make any money. I'm down 10K profit on my AMC, but still have 10.5K. That's his money play money. He got 100K somewhere. I'm not trying to skip over the comments. Somebody told me yesterday or the other day that I'm like selectively not choosing to reply to them comments. I'm sorry. I try to read all of them. At least read them, if not talk about them. Dude, I've been down 34%. Now I'm down 7%, $90. Yeah. Well, $6,000 up or down on every penny move for me. That's how makes me scar. Okay, I trust you. Everything, my friend. Listen, we go to 10 and get Lambo, but if we tank, I will be real mad, bro. All right, I don't think it's for you. Okay, if you're gonna be really mad at me if we don't go to $10 in the next month, I don't think this is the right community for you, my friend. I think you need to have realistic expectations and realize there is a bear case scenario here that we see $6 before we see 10, and it will not change anything long term. I don't think it will, but I could be wrong. You need to make your own decision, please. Yeah, please don't. And for all the new people watching this whole situation, please don't be Mason Scholar. I respect you. I don't mean to pick on you, but don't be like Mason Scholar. You need to make your own decision, and you need to don't listen to me. Listen to your gut, and then make your decision based on your research. Please don't blindly trust me. God, don't do that. Okay, come on. Do you blindly trust everybody on YouTube? Please don't. Please don't. He's trolling. Yeah, I feel that would make sense. That would make sense. Yeah. Well, right now we're up about 1.5%. Selling pressure is coming in right now. We've got walls at 739, 10K to be bought, and we do have news for anyone coming in here right now, right? Let's get off of this red candle chart here. Let's take our mind off that for a second, right? Let's have a last meal, if you will, right? We do have a buy rating. A new analyst firm just came out with a $10 price offer for Bionano. This is good to see. And if we look at the Google Doc, because we do not have enough money to pay for the Seeking Alpha subscription, we are, what are we? What does it even say here? Does it say anything interesting? It does. It does say interesting stuff, actually. Here we go. Okay, it actually does. Yeah, let's talk about this again. Okay, half of y'all probably didn't even see this. All right, basically, he says, or she, I guess it's a she, I don't know. The company may be on the cusp, quote, of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing market, right? Argues this analyst right here. OGM could replace traditional tools, and the company looks set to significantly accelerate its top-line growth in the coming years as it chases a total addressable market for genomic research estimated at $2 to $3 billion. That's completely wrong. That is false. That is false information. The total addressable market of genomic research is much higher than $2 to $3 billion. That's a fact, okay? So, yeah. So this is good. Indicate, right? Seeking Alpha's something ratings, quant ratings indicate a very bullish rating for Bionano Genomics, contrasting the neutral view held by many Seeking Alpha authors. Dumping to the downside, 744. Is it 43? 743. JPAL crashes the market. There's another dip buy opportunity. Yeah, you have to understand. Mixing Score. I hope Mixing Score is a troll. I really hope so, because otherwise he's not, I don't know what the hell he's gonna do. I hope so. I don't know. My gut tells me he's not, though. I could be wrong, though. 2 p.m. Fed talks. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern is when the Fed's gonna talk. We are trying to form a hammer candle right now. Yep. And then also the other news that we got was a Form 3, right? And if we look at the insider codes, I bet no other YouTuber shows you this. Okay, this is the insider information. No, not really. I wish, right? Well, not really. Then it would be legal issues, but you know what I mean. All right, transaction code 8. Okay, yada yada. Not that. Form 3. When a person becomes an insider, yada yada. Form 3 must be filed after they become an insider. So that's nothing. And then we look at this one. This is a code A, right? If you look right here. That's going to be a something grant award acquisition of securities from the company, such as an option. And that's exactly what we have here. More leaps awarded to them, exercisable after they vest over a pretty damn long time. 90% of everybody in this chat will be selling if it's $6. Really? Is that your guys' plan? I don't believe that. I know some people will panic sell, regardless of how good the community is or stock, whatever. But I don't think 90%. Most of us are buying the dip. Actually, most of the people watching, most of our community are OGs, and they actually understand how things were in the red days, in the carnage days. So they know what they're doing. That's damn sure. Most of you all do. I know most of y'all do. Legal issues, quick for average Joes like us. Hedges get away with murder. I know. I know. It's like, oh man, naked shorting. Yep, that's fine. Artificially increasing the shares. FTD, right? Nope, doesn't matter. This guy's a troll too. Yeah, that guy. Yeah, I've seen that guy. Let's see. Is he? I think he is. Yeah. Yeah, he's a troll as well. Yeah. Y'all have to remember me. Y'all have to remind me who the trolls are, because you guys know my brain cells. They don't really work. You know. I'm sorry, Havana. I'm sorry. I don't mean. I'm sorry. We're on the 5-minute. I have to be enthusiastic about the moves. Okay. If I'm like, oh, we moved down 1 cent. We're going up 5 cents. It's like, that's just, who the hell wants to watch that? That's even more boring than I already am, right? So I have to kind of, do what I can, right? So, but yeah, I got you. And I try to say this a while. I need to say this more. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you hear me say, oh, we got a bearish flip on the 4-hourly, which we did, right? Whatever reversal signs may be. Okay, none of this shit matters long term if I'm right about the company or if y'all are right about the company in any sort of way. Well, you know what we're gonna do long term. I don't know when. I can't tell you when the hell we're gonna go up. Okay, the fundamentals don't even matter half the time. Okay, news does not even matter. But at the end of the day, man, it's just a fact that the earnings report comes out, the nano announcement comes out, the Sapphire 2.0 comes out, yada yada, Sapphire adoption, sales, whatever. Okay, all that stuff. You cannot neglect that. Even the analysts and the thick-headed toots and weenie babies, not even them. They can't do it because it's factual, fundamental increases in the company's value, which we already know about a lot of them, right? Well, if we're right, okay, I guess we could technically be wrong, but you get what I mean. I hope you get what I mean. No, it's exciting with all the mixed emotions. That's true. Yeah, when Brandon gets excited, so do I. Yeah, well. It's been a weird few days, trading days, right? Because it was such a good last start of the week last week, and then it's just been I've been trying to keep that level of energy, and I haven't been able to. But anyways, yeah, and it's hard for me to keep the same level of energy when the price just goes sideways all day, right? And this is cool. Right now, we're actually moving, right? When it's at the end of the day, market closing, we're just barcoding. It's like what the hell? It's like what do I do at this point? No, zoom out. We got to keep it on the intraday, man. Come on, we want to see what the price action is intraday. We do the zoom out. We do the technical analysis zoomed out every day, right? We do those in the videos, right? We were talking about the SAR flipping to bearish on the 4-hourly, right? That's the first sign of a reversal, a bearish reversal. That's what we talk about then. We do talk about that stuff sometimes here, but I like to keep it on the 5-minute just so we can see short-term intraday stuff, So yeah. Robert Dudley, that reminds me. What's that guy's name in Harry Potter? Something Dudley? I don't know. What's his name? I don't know. The Harry Potter dude? Go to 1 minute. I don't like the 1 minute. The 1 minute sucks, but I use it sometimes. We just got the bullish flip on the 1 minute, though. I'm going to keep it on the 5-minute. 5-minute, we're gonna keep it on the 5-minute, boys. Sorry, I'm gonna have to pull a, I don't know. That's what we're going to do. SPY is now green. Yes, SPY is starting to reverse. You got a while to go yet, though. Nasdaq's doing well. Nasdaq's still doing very well. I like to see it. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest with you. I'm kind of surprised that, high growth did take the biggest beating yesterday, so I guess it only makes sense. But then again, you know what everyone's watching today, okay? You know what it is. It's the Fed, man. So it's going to be interesting. We held some good traction keeping above 7.5. It's about 7.7, and Delta will take us to 8. Oh my! Look at this! This is an update from 9:02 according to Bad Form. Okay, look at this. What is the short interest doing today? You guessed it. It's going up even on the day that we're going up. Right? It goes up every day. It doesn't matter if we're red. It doesn't matter if we're green. It's going up every day. I can't stand the hair anymore. I'm putting it on. I got the good luck hat on. I got the suit on. We're about to go up. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, mixing skull or all the trolls out there or the beginners. Please, I'm joking. All right, 10,000 to be sold at 761. Is AMC better than BNGO? Hell no. If you have to ask that, then you will never know, my friend. No, I'm kidding. Okay, do whatever the hell you want. Right? Short term. You want to make the argument? Okay, sure. AMC might be better than BNGO short term. Okay, make your own decision. Make your own damn decision, my friend. Next stop, Salty Spittoon. Now, when is the Fed meeting? The Fed meeting is going to be 2 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Central. That's the Fed Reserve announcement. And JP conference is going to be 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, right? 30 minutes. No, 1 hour and 30 minutes before the market close. That's JP. Yeah. Do you see AMC dropping back to lower 40s this week for the options? Nah, I'm gonna be honest with you, not really. I wanted to though. I'll trade. I've wanted to trade this for a while now. Ooh, it is dipping down to the Bollinger to 21 SMA here. It's so easy. It's so easy to trade it. It takes. Literally, the new beginners can do this. It's so easy, but it works so well. Oftentimes, it's only worked 2 out of 3 times technically, which is not bad for me live on air, but. Yeah, once it touches the 4-hourly, what was that? 52.24. That's the middle band here on the 4-hourly chart. That's an entry point on AMC short term. But here's the thing. It's hard for me to buy AMC. Actually, the RSI is not even bad now. Holy crap. Okay, never mind. Well, that's the 4-hourly. Let me look at the daily. Okay, that's not bad either. Actually, wow. This isn't as bad as I thought it was. Damn. Maybe I will have to trade AMC. That's not as bad as I thought it was at all. Hold on, let me look at some other stuff. If this dips a little more, yeah, I might trade this. We might trade that today live. Best case for Fed talk is that they say, basically they say what they always say. Okay, some of y'all know more about this than I do. Okay, so but basically they're not going to raise interest rates. They're going to keep interest rates low for years, right? All this crap that they're feeding us, right? They're going to keep the government spending £1,000 of it. They're not going to change anything. We don't want them to change anything. We want them to keep interest rates low. We want them to say inflation is transitory. We want them to say inflation is going as planned. We're gonna unemployment economy is not where we want it, right? All the crap the Fed says. Okay, I wish I could do a JP impression. I can't though. Yeah, that's pretty much. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, and then we obviously want him to answer the questions well. Okay, the questions is what everyone cares about half the time, right? So look at that, 10,000 to be sold at 761. That's bull crap. That's not true. That's not true. That is going to be a fake wall if we get to it. Right? All right, in at AMC at 47, holding it just in case. All right. Will you upload a video after the Fed talk? I'll tell you what, maybe we could go ahead and stream the Fed talk. Maybe we can. Do y'all want me to? I assume Kevin he's the competition, and I'm like, the quality of camera and everything is just, Kevin's just like, What do you think about AMC not wearing... What do you think about AMC not wearing pants in video with trades? Oh, the CEO not wearing pants? That was funny. Yes, you want us to? Kevin will explain this very well. JP, yeah, he explains it better than me. I know. The Fed is not the Fed, guys. You have to understand something, okay? The Fed is not my. I am better at BNGO than anything else. Okay, that's why. That's pretty much. I've pretty much just doubled down on what we do well here, right? It's 100% my portfolio, basically. We look at the markets, we look at high growth, but the inflation stuff, Kevin does do a better job. Yeah, JP is so boring. Yeah, I know. 500 shares. Look, look at this. Look at this. 200 shares to be sold at 16, 500 at 998. Yes, I love it. I love it. That's beauty. $750 right now, almost up 2%. I like what we're seeing. We're still outperforming high growth. Microvision is doing really well right now. Narrow dimension, same thing, but Bionano is still doubling both of them on the day, right? Percentage wise. JP needs a hype man. What? You should speak for the Fed. Lol, they need a young person. Oh man. Kevin got a margin call. Wait, no, he did it. Wait, really? No, he did. I haven't kept up with Kevin in a while. No, he didn't. No, he did. That's bullshit, isn't it? You don't hold a lot of BNGO shares. All right, let me show you. I mean, I guess you determine if this is a lot. Okay, I consider it's a lot for me. Okay, 1,675. This is going to be closer. This is going to increase substantially. If we dip to like $6 again, that's probably going to be more like, I don't know, at least like close to 3,000 at least. I'll double my share count probably, something like that. Yeah. You changed my mind now. I buy 5 shares because of you, but if we go down bad, then you got to sort it. No, no. All right, that's it. I'm about to ban you, okay? Now I know you're just trolling, okay? Not even you would say that. That's just no. That is shit. I'm telling you not to do that, and you're doing it anyway. If you say one more thing, you're I'm not. Yeah, you're getting banned. I'll put you in timeout, my friend. Off with the head. For college students, that is pretty good. Yeah, I am in college. Yes, I'm young. Yes. Not everyone has a ton of shares. Would love to, though. Right. 753 right now. Let me see where we don't even care. Oh, my gosh. You see, this is what makes me so mad. We got rejected perfectly today at the 21 SMA after we broke out. Oh, this is so frustrating. So frustrating, man. We're in bearish territory in the 4-hourly, indicated by this, right? Of course, we can still go to freaking $10 tomorrow, but we just got rejected perfectly right there. Damn it. Hey, remember Hey, remember Havana had a good point earlier. It does not matter what happens short term. The charts does not matter. Okay, long term, it does not change anything. K technicals do not matter at all. It does not matter at all, man. All right. Do your colleagues know about your YouTube channel? Yeah. Yeah. I tell everybody I can. That's how the channel has done well. I think that's one of the reasons why the channel has done at all well. I tell absolutely, I spam, I texted the channel videos to all my contacts. Seriously, it's that sad, and that's the only reason why I think the channel got any sort of views at the start, I think. So, all right, should I go back to trolling Wall Street bets on Discord? I don't know what you mean, my friend. We're trying to get Wall Street bets to join us. 755 right now, up about 2.5% right now. We've got buying pressure coming in ish. Not really. There's not really any shares being traded at the ask or bid. It's just not much. Not much happening. We do have the sell wall still. We do have a couple sell walls in here that are all fake. I think they're all fake. Okay? Almost all of them are fake. All right, here we go. Everything is moving. Microvision is moving. Nano dimension. Everything is kind of spiking right now. Short intraday, of course. Intraday. Mixed emotions, right? Brandon, it goes up 5 cents. Yeah. And then it goes down 5 cents. Like, damn it. Oh, on Discord. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I get what you mean. Yeah, the Discord. The Wall Street Bets Discord. Their Discord. Yeah, they banned me from that too. If you didn't know that. They banned me from that too. They're crazy. They're absolutely crazy, man. They muted me from sending messages to the mod. They banned me from participating, creating posts, replying, even awarding stuff. They banned me from that. It's like, man, like, and I'm still here. Let's check. Let's see if I'm still banned. Let's see. Let's go to Reddit here. Let's see. I bet I am. I think they permanently banned me because it's been like a week and a half. I think it's at least been 1 week. Please. No, you see, it said create post and then it went away. I'm still banned. See if I try to award something. I don't think I can right now because I don't have enough coins, but it would say when I is there anything for 25? No. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I'm banned. I can't reply, I can't post, I can't do anything. 760 broke the previous high, not the intraday high. It broke the previous high though. Bought another 800 AMC, 1800 average is 49. Well done, my friend. Well done. I feel like Havana just comes in here and brags every day. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Havana's making gains. Hell yeah. More gains than I am, right? 760. Yeah, 760 right now. Yes, sir. I don't know anyone who's been banned. I know. That's what's so crazy about it. It's like, oh, like really? Like you're that worried about Bionano getting any traction on Wall Street bets? You have to ban me? Damn, you're corrupt. The mods are, at least. The mods are. The mods definitely are. Yeah, the Fed is 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to be repeating that about 7,000 times, and that's fine. All right, everyone gets in here at different times. I understand. But right now, 760. We did kiss 762 for a second. There we go. We're at it again. Previous high right now. Almost 3.5% right now. 763 now. The markets, microvision is not stopping. Let me look at the broader markets. Okay, here you go. Okay, the Russell's finally doing something. For once, it's finally getting some sort of bounce. Most likely a dead cat bounce if we get rejected here, or at least maybe. Maybe. High growth is doing well today, and with the support of the Russell, it could get very nice. And if the bull case happens with the Fed today, oh, man. Oh, you know what's going to happen. You know what's going to happen. Lose more, too. Yeah, Havana, can you give everybody here like 100 shares? We're creating a bull flag on the daily. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can call it a bull flag. Yeah. I mean, we kind of did. Technically, we broke down below the descending triangle, and now we're breaking back up. So it's like what's going on? It's like, what the hell? Yeah, you can definitely call it bull flag though. Yeah, it's fine. We do have a descending resistance, but we don't really have an ascending support. That's the problem. Right, so it's hard to call a symmetrical triangle, which is typically what people associate with the bull flag. So yeah, but yeah. I would say anytime you consolidate after a run up, you can technically call it a bull flag, I guess. So I don't know. It just depends on what you think, I guess. Everyone does the technicals different, right? Above 4 hourly, 21 EMA. Oh, no. Well, wait, are we? No, I don't think we are. Are we? Let's see. No, we're not. Nope, we got rejected again. Yeah, this is what frustrates me so much. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna get. It doesn't matter. Long term, mid term, it doesn't matter. But yeah, we're getting rejected right now at the 21 SMA, which we broke down. That was the goal yesterday, to stay above it. And then of course we just absolutely dumped. I mean, short term K. When I say dumped, yeah, Havana had a good point, right? I act like it's so bearish, right? I don't know. I'm just trying to call it what it is, right? We went down a little, but fair amounts, right? And then we're getting rejected right now at it again. Hopefully we break above it, right? That's what everyone's thinking right now. Hopefully we break above it. And it's at, 769. So let me draw that up. Let me draw that up as a resistance here. 769, right? Okay, there we go. Put some indicators up here for you. Let's do it right there. Yeah. All right, Brent, I will mod for you. I used to mod on 4chan 3 years ago. Listen, you will. Yeah, you're I don't, my friend, you're insane with what you said. So I'm pretty sure you're trolling. So sorry. I don't know. Unless you, I mean, tell me you're playing again, Mason Scar. Will ya? I'll take 59 to give me even 1K. Thank you, Ivana. Thank you, Ivana. All right. Wall Street bets, I'm pretty sure is out of the question, bro. No, not really. Once they if they ever stop censoring us, we're right back in the equation. But if they don't do that, yeah, right now we're out of the question right now. I wouldn't say it's out of the question. It's just very low likelihood, right? We still get some posts to go through. Anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. Come on. Where's your sense of adventure? In Tyrion's words, right? All right. I puts children in timeout every now and then. Yeah, I do. Cooled off is better than dumped. Go get your thesaurus and turn past the D's, lol. Fair enough. Cooled off, yeah. Well, whatever. Come on. It's a subtle difference. Come on. We're jumping? No, I'm kidding. 1 cent in the red, right? I don't like Wall Street bets at all. They do paid stories, which made them lose all integrity in my eyes. There was no integrity to begin with. It's just people YOLOing away their savings and becoming homeless, right? But yeah, they did seriously. But on a serious note, yeah, they did lose integrity. The mods did lose integrity when they started selectively choosing what to pump and what not to pump. But whatever. We don't need them. I'm not here to complain about that, right? I'm just here to make the best. What's the thing that we can do to best position Bionano in the future, right? We're basically, at this point, we're technically the owners of Bionano, but it's like we're employees, right? It's like we're employees trying to work and trying to get the word out, right? Eric needs to freaking come in our community. He needs to come, and he needs to tell us, he needs to just say 1 word or 2 words, right? With a dash in them. Nano nozzle. Boom. Not so emotionally, has much more strength. Yeah, all right, for sure. Havana, whatever, you're right. You sound like my damn mom. No, I'm kidding. I mean, all in on AMC. Good job. Good luck with that. I hope you know what you're doing. We got some fights in chat. Yeah, we do. Me and Havana are fighting. Yeah, right now, let's see. We're up 3%. The YouTube algorithm likes fighting, though. The YouTube algorithm likes it, so yeah, let's keep it going. All right. Yeah, what is going on with Mixing Scholar fight? What's going on here? Yeah, your mom must be fabulous. She is, yes. And you are as well, my friend. You are awesome as well. Call and see if you can interview him. We kind of already did. He said... We kind of already did. He said he basically didn't respond, like you, and IR didn't respond either. But I haven't sent the email to IR, and I have not sent the IR an email yet asking them to do this. I'm sure they wouldn't respond though. I've already sent them stuff before they don't respond, so I don't know. So been holding BNGO since October 2020. Legendary. I wish I was. Oh, don't we all wish we were holding since that time? Short interest still super high, and of course the dart pools are still doing a lot of volume. A lot of volume of Bionano in total is actually on the dart pool, which is it's interesting how these guys actually know what the Okay, I guess it's just the reported dart pool trades, so we don't know all of it, I'm assuming. But it is. I would say it's technically more bullish midterm, long term. That there is a lot of dart pool action going on with Bioneo's volume because it just shows you that there's more of a chance for manipulation to actually happen, right? The proclivity for manipulation goes up when there's a lack of transparency, which is what dart pools are. I think, at least. It's just me. All right. What the hell's going on in the chat right now? There's people fighting each other now. I thought me and Havana were the ones that were fighting. What do you think about the inflation meeting with J Powell? All right, I think I actually like our chances. Honestly, okay. Now, please make your own decision and understand that I have a ton of buying power waiting to buy the dip if Bionano hits $5 or $6. If okay, I don't think there's a very high chance, but there definitely is a realistic chance that Bionano gets and the high growth sector as a whole gets decimated today, if the bear case happens. Personally, I think there's a higher chance that JP and the Fed does well today, but of course, it's just, I'm not going to lie to you and say I know what's going to happen, okay? No one knows what the hell they're going to say. But I do like our chances today. I do think it's going to be a good day today. And it already, right now it is, okay? We'll see if we don't, yesterday was a good day at the start, and then it was a horrible day at the end, right? So we'll see. We got good news today. We got good news yesterday. We got great news. We get good news all over the place, man. Seriously, we get good news all over the place. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I hope that kind of answers your question. The Fed is speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern time today, right? So 2 hours before the market closed. What's with this insane dart pool action? Ask the MMs and the market makers and the manipulators, man. They know what's up. Manipulation. Spoiler alert, manipulation. Fair enough, Havana. Yeah, that's true. We are definitely not fighting. Sure. Fair enough. People that bought the dip May 13th are almost up 100%. I know exactly. That's what I say all the time, and you just said it in a way more articulate way, right? People that bought the dip on May 13th are up almost 100%. Almost 100%, man. It's like, come on. Pump and dump? Really? Whatever. It's just trolls. We get a lot of trolls nowadays. A lot of trolls right now. I don't know why. Why are there so many trolls today? We're almost up 3% today. What's up with this? Whatever. This chat is like a dumpster fuel of feral cats. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Very interesting today. It's so weird. Why isn't the chat on fire yesterday? I guess it's because we got no viewers. The YouTube algorithm is kind of helping us a little bit more. Not really. Okay, we still don't have any action going on as far as views, but we'll take it, I guess. Yeah, I guess it is. I guess it is good news, I guess. Yeah. Well, the views would indicate otherwise, though, right? The views would indicate otherwise. Technically, 167% if you include leverage. Which everyone who bought the dip this week is up 100%. Hell yeah, almost makes up for the 100% down from buys in February. Well, wait, no, not 100% down. Pretty close, like 70% down, maybe even more than that. But yeah, I get what you mean. That's true. Don't listen to those bag holders. Trolls are bored and broke. Need something to brighten up their day. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna have to start putting people in timeout. Oh man! All right, let's just get back to the price action. So for anyone getting in right now, right, what's happening with Bionano today? Well, we're up 2% right now. NanoVision Microvision recently started bleeding. The volume compared to Bionano, compared to from BNGO yellow, Microvision blue, and NNDM red, right? You can see there's an obvious trend here, and it's the same thing the last couple of days. There's just more volume in Bionano. This would indicate that there's more interest, right? And those are some of the important. Those are some of the very close competitors as far as tethers. They're very strong tethers to Bionano's price, and if you pair that with the interest, the Google Trends interest to Bionano. Now, of course, this is not the best indication for what the actual interest is, but it's pretty good, right? If you look in the past, this is what you want to see, right? If we go to 1 year here, since May 30th to June 5th, interest is going to more than double. Now, if we can keep this going up, I guarantee you there's going to be a lot more long-term hot orders. I can't guarantee you what's going to happen with the stock price, but it's doing very well, doing very good. What the hell? Deo going live on YouTube, announcing new news. BTIG saying all other BNGO YouTubers copy or get their latest news from him. Lol, I didn't have the heart to tell him we've covered it already. That's not okay. He's definitely referring to me. Okay, looks like we may not be able to flag. Is that true? Somebody tell me, is that true? Can someone confirm this? I don't want to say a strong opinion without knowing the facts. No, for sure. If that's true, that sucks. I hope Deo didn't do that. I really hope he did not do that. 751 right now. Yeah, we covered that right when I mean our Discord. If you want to know BNGO news quick, just join our Discord. Okay, trust me, it's the quickest way. It's the quickest way to know news. It's how I mean I miss things all the time. Okay, we cover stuff late all the time, but this is why we're able to get the news out before any other pretty much anyone else, right? At least on YouTube, right? So. Okay, I emailed you about the chat yesterday. Did you? Did you? I'll have to look at my email again. I don't know if I saw it. Deo was great. Yeah, I like Deo. But what he just said. Yeah, Deo is. I don't know why he. Yeah, he's definitely. I mean, I like Deo. I still want to do a collab with him. He said we're going to. He said he's open to it, but you cannot do that. That's. I covered it first because I was awake along with everyone. Whatever. You know what? If he wants to throw shade, whatever. We're not gonna. Whatever. He's cool. Whatever. I'm not gonna disrespect. Whatever. Everybody has that different. It could be in a rough time, right? Could be getting some. I don't know. It could be in a bad point in his life, right? He could just be making a mistake. Of course, what he said's not true. Whatever. Hey, whatever. Everyone makes mistakes. So yeah. Zip trader, bro. Is that who he's talking about? But he said other BNGO YouTubers, didn't he? Yeah, he said saying all other BNGO YouTubers copy or get their latest news from him. Oh, that hurts. That hurts me. That hurts the soul. But still, whatever. I'm not about to start a YouTube war, about a channel war. No, hell no, we're not doing that. We're on the same team. If you're a BNGO bull, you're on my team. I don't care how much we don't like each other. We're still on the same team. So. They just backstabbed you. All right, you're just a troll. You're just a troll, missing score. Okay, don't make this more serious than it already is. This is just. I mean, come on, dude. We're just talking about stocks. Come on, it's not that serious. Come on. Right. I like how you mentioned of the stock dumping just a little bit and crybabies jump investors who want to be all go crying. What the? The stock price is not related to Google Trends. People might be searching for a word or BHO. Of course not. Of course. Okay, please don't take. God, I hate how people do this. Okay, just because I'm saying the interest doubled, that doesn't mean I think the stock price is going to double. I'm just telling you this is something. Here, I got to be so clear sometimes. I'm sorry. Some of these people are trolls, but some people I'm sure are wondering. I didn't mean to imply that the interest is going to determine the stock price, but I did imply that it's going to have some sort of effect on the stock price, right? We want this to go higher. The more people that know, and the reason is because the more people that know about the fundamentals of Bionano, the more people that are bullish and become long-term hodlers like us. Yeah, missing score is about to get put in timeout. Yeah. Is Zip Trader a BNGO bull? I'm pretty sure Zip Trader said, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Zip Trader said like a month or two ago, he said BNGO was too speculative. I'm pretty sure that's what he said. And that was a month ago. That was when that was when the price was, $5, $6. So there's nothing better than watching than seeing bears and people who are doubters just completely get absolutely, just completely approved wrong completely. He said that, yeah. Zip Trader has a price tag of $19 for BNGO. He said in the video, he's not a bear or bull of it. Really? What? Send me the video. Really? That should have gotten us a ton of exposure. You said he's not a bear or bull on it though. How would he have a price tag of $19 if he didn't though? That's a big increase. Trade set a $20 price target. Really? Yeah, if you looked into it more, it would be. Yeah, he said it a while ago. Trade said it a while ago. Or Zip Trader. You're talking about Zip Trader, I think. BNGO down 35% of end of day. All right, I'm gonna time this guy out. Timeout. You're in timeout, my friend. Sorry, not sorry. Oh man, look at that time out for 3 and says you're in timeout, my friend. Bye. Zip Trader. That's interesting. That's awesome. Okay, awesome. If you want to find the video, sure, that's awesome. Send it to me. That's awesome. That's good. That's interesting that's interesting that there's so many. Oh, what the? Look at this. Look at this. Thanks to Badform in the Discord. Freaking Badform is a damn legend. Thank you, Badform. You're freaking awesome, man. This is all I can do. I told Badform, if you're out there right now, I will send. I'll promote a social media link of yours if you want. Like, that's one thing I can do to help you out a little bit if you want anything, right? I know it's stupid, right? You're awesome for sending us this information, but 1.5% short interest change on the day, up on the day, right? Current estimated short interest is 40.92 million according to Ortex. Dude, this just tells you what the shorts game is, right? If that data is at all accurate, which it usually is, right? That's the best source of information that we pretty much have. The shorts, you know what they're trying to do. They think we're gonna go lower. They think they can send this way lower. That's as simple as it gets. They think they can send it way lower. They think it's gonna go way lower. The fact of the matter is, we've got options expiring this week. We got the Fed potential catalyst or potential negative news catalyst today. If the bull case happens, I think, I could be totally wrong. Make your own damn decision. This is not guaranteed to happen, okay? I hate having to say disclaimers like that, but sometimes there's just idiots out there that I have to say them for, okay? If you get offended, I don't give a shit, by the way. There is a chance for a squeeze or gamma squeeze this week, or I don't know about time frame, okay? It just depends. If the bull case happens, there's a chance for it. I think there is. You can disagree with me, fine, but there's a high short interest, short dated buying of call options. Okay, stop price. If it goes up, right, the bull case, that's a contingency, right? Short interest has gone up, and yeah, that's all you need. That's all you need. And we got manipulation that's proven, and Wall Street bets. If we get any sort of post action going there, you know what's gonna happen. So, Badform is a star. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Freaking legendary. Did you make any money on Clover? No. No, I did not. I'm still actually holding that. Well, actually, yeah, I'm down. Yeah, I bought a couple shares. So, yeah, I'm getting killed in there. Getting absolutely killed. 19% up soon. You think so? Interesting. What even is Dartpool? So Dartpool is basically a private exchange, and it's named for its lack of transparency, and that's according to Investopedia, not me. Okay, so I quote that because I know some people are going to be like, oh, Brandon, you're just going on manipulation. Call it manipulation. Use your fancy terms. You don't know what's going on. Like, that's what some people have said before, right? Fact of the matter is, Investopedia says Dartpools they were named because of their lack of transparency. The fact of the matter is, there's a higher amount of volume being traded in the stock price of Bionano compared to the average being traded on dart pools. Okay, if that makes sense. Like, there's a higher percentage of the volume being traded on the dart pools on Bionano than, the average is up here on the dart pools for BNGO. Other stocks, it's like way down here, right? That's as simple as it gets. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And basically, that you may say an extrapolation of that may be like, okay, maybe it's more likely that market manipulation has occurred because of so much volume being done on these dart pools, right? That would certainly explain what's gone down with the just total delayed reaction or no reaction at all to the great news we've got throughout this entire downtrend and recently. I think you can disagree with me. That's fine. That's fine if you disagree with me. Just save me the whining. I owe 20K in profits, but it isn't an ISA. BNGO consolidating for the pop. Up 2.5% right now, outperforming Microvision and NanoDimension very nicely, and holding up much better. Holding up very much better as much better on this recent dip that we got starting about 10 minutes ago ish. 758 right now, almost up 3%. Yeah, $9. Look at the open interest on. If we look at the option chain here, right? Look at this. Look at this. $9 out the money calls. There's a ton. Oh, 16,000. Yeah, people have been buying those. An insane amount of those have been bought. This was way lower before. Way lower before. So that's what you love to see. That's what you love to see, man. And on the put side, there's nothing. There's nothing. Okay, there's no one is holding puts because they're not betting on the price going down. You added 6K yesterday at 741. Legend. Freaking legend, man. What is this other BNGO stream that just went live on YouTuber? I don't know. See ya if you want to go. See ya, my friend. I enjoyed having you here. See ya if you want to go. When is option expiring date? It's this week, Friday, June 18th. That's when these options are all expiring. And it is also quadruple witching. Or triple witching or something. Hold on, let me see. Let me see which one it is. Hold on. Which one is it? Where is it? Where's the option specialized date? Okay. All right, this Friday we have, what is it? This Friday, we have a ton of stuff. Okay, so let's go down to the key. We have the red one. Okay, so standard expiration day for equity stuff. We have a ton of things. We have a ton. Here, this is the ape language, right? We have a ton of these things happening this week, especially on the 18th. right? That's when a ton, for BNGO especially, right? That's when the options are expiring. There's going to be a ton of buying of calls and selling of calls and exercising and everything of the calls, man, on Friday. So it's going to be insane volume. It's going to be insane volume. $10 end of week. Bull case. Yeah, I mean, that's not out of the realm of possibilities. Okay, I don't want to get your hopes up. That's a very low chance of that happening. There's probably less than I would say there's less than a 5% chance probably that Bionano is $10 end of week. Probably, I would honestly probably a little bit higher than that, just because. But I want to be. I try to be very cautious with my short-term predictions, because there's going to be people like missing score, like, okay, all in, baby, let's go. So I try to be careful. But yeah, there's not a very high chance of that. The Fed would have to do great today, and we would have to get Wall Street bets, and we would have to get some sort of catalyst. So it's not very likely. It's possible, not likely. You think SENS is going back in twos, hopefully? Well, you know what? Stephen Roberts, I love that you said hopefully. One thing I hate a lot is when people say, oh, yeah, I just sold out of BNGO or whatever. I'll re-enter in the fives or whatever. It's like, dude, you don't know where the hell we're going to go. I hate when that happens. I hate when they act like they're better than all the long-term hodlers, too. It frustrates me very much. I get pissed off easily, okay? I tell you guys all the time, I get pissed off very easily, which is not a good thing to be a YouTuber that looks at all the comments, right? So you need to stop mentioning Wall Street bets all the time. Sounds desperate. I don't think it does, okay? I mean, it doesn't matter what happens short term with the stop price. I don't think it does. Okay, you can think that. That's fine. I just disagree completely. I completely disagree. That's fine, though. Testing the intraday high right now. And anyways, yeah, I'm not going to justify that. You guys have heard my spiel about 1,000 times on Wall Street bets. If you've been with the channel, I'm not going to do it again. Okay, in short, though, it's publicity and exposure and increase in the aggregate of sales if Wall Street bets were to help us. Also, screw over the manipulators in the process. That's why it matters. So that's why I mention it all the time. 767 right now, almost 765 right now, actually, I should say. Almost up 4% right now. GG for the Bears that were. Who was the Bear? What did we have? We had Marco this morning saying we were going to what? I don't even know. Marco's always here. Whatever. Okay, more views, the better. The more the merrier. New intraday high 769, testing the resistance at the 21 SMA. That's where it is. Let's see if it stayed, actually. It could have moved. It's exactly there. 769. Yeah, let's see. We're likely to get rejected here. I hope we don't. Okay, there we go. We just broke through. Yes. There we go. We're breaking through right now. Hopefully we don't get rejected here. Hopefully we can confirm this as the new support and break out here. Frunk Investment just reads article for 90% of videos, but somehow every other YouTuber steals his DDR news. Yeah, well, no disrespect to Deo, but if what he said is true and he really did throw me shade, and if he really thinks I'm, whatever, what did he say? I mean, that's just not true. That's just not true. I can tell you, I can promise you right now, I swear on everything, okay? Here's the truth, okay? I don't look at Deo. I don't look at Mr. Vesela, okay? I'll be honest with you. I have watched Mr. Vesela a few times in the past. I've watched his videos. I don't know. I've probably watched less than 5 of his videos in my entire life. Deo, I don't think I've ever watched a full video of, and that's no disrespect, but I just don't. Okay, it's not disrespectful. I love him. I love the guy. I want to do a collab with him. But him saying I steal his shit after I already covered this morning, I already covered this right at the start of the stream, right? We already knew about this forever in the Discord, so it's just absolutely, it does hurt my soul to see that he said that. It does hurt my soul. But I'm not, but I respect him. I still respect him. We're on the same team, so. What is Fear Index? That's going to be UVXY, my friend. Or VIX, either one. BNGO or no-go. Yes, sir. BNGO and AMP to the moon. Well, I'm with you on AMC. I'm with you on BNGO. AMC's doing well right now. Is it? Oh, no, it's not. Can this please continue to dip? Short term. Sorry, I don't mean to. I want to get, for me, I hope it continues to dip. For me, right? Down 8% right now. Man. It's going up a ton, though. It's still doing well. AMC's still doing really well. It's doing better than BNGO, right? Short term it is. There are lots that just read articles. Guess that means I can start a channel. When is BNGO quarter 2 earnings date? My Fidelity account shows within 5 days. That's wrong, isn't it? Yeah, that's wrong. That should be wrong. Jason Smith, the earnings date. Most people are saying it's going to be. One analyst said it's going to be late July, but I don't think that's actually correct. I think the correct dates that we're expecting, we are right. The analysts don't even know when to expect it because they don't do the research like we do, right? But I think I mean, this isn't a lot of research that you have to do, but based on last year, right, it's going to be mid-August. August 8th to August 13th. It's going to be somewhere in there, most likely. That's the quarter 2 2021 BNGO earnings. Most likely, but they haven't announced it, right? They have not announced when the earnings is going to be, so that's basically just based on last year. Yeah, the quarter didn't even end yet, so does that date make sense? Jason, always right. Your post was freaking awesome, by the way, my friend. I'm gonna have a whole video explaining it. Or explaining what I understand. Okay, you did freaking. I mean, I'm so glad that you that you found the link for the CLIA lab. It's huge. I mean, I think it is. I didn't even know. I knew that people were talking about this. I heard a couple things about this, but no one ever sent me a link about the certified lab in San Diego. And now with all the job listings and this post right here and all the stuff you cited here, I do believe that's legit. So I love to see, and we're going to be explaining that all, right? Did Deo know about that? Okay, no disrespect, but if you're going to throw shade at the other BNGO YouTubers, it's not good. It's not good, man. That hurts my soul that he did that. That really does. Everyone knows Deo is the only one that reads news. Another YouTuber is copying. He wanted several sources with different strengths in different areas. Yeah, we all have different strengths. Yeah, Mr. Investlaw is great. Deo's great. We all do different things, man. We all. That's why it's so great for the BNGO people, the investors like y'all, to look at the different information sources and see like, okay, this guy said this, the other guy missed that. Great, that's why I watch both of them, right? So you can get all the information that possible. I only wrote that because you baited me on here. I did. I'm glad I did. Everyone go give this an upvote and go give him some awards. Go show him some love, man, because it is one. And read it, please. The most important thing, okay, screw the freaking awards. You need to read this and understand what this guy's talking about, because it's beauty. It's beauty. What this man's work is beautiful, man. This is great research here, and this is stuff that no one knows about. Okay, I have not heard one video. I've never heard anyone talk about the new CLIA lab. Okay, no one has known about this except always right. Jason Smith, he's been talking about it for the last probably months, but he's never linked it. And now he's got all of his sources cited, and now we know it's legit. So it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. Yeah, that's dumb for you to get in a YouTube fight like Mayweather too. I agree, man. Yeah. It is. That's why I'm so sad that he said that. But I'm not gonna instigate a fight. Hell no. We're on the same side. I still want to do a collab with Deo and Mr. Vesselot. I still want to. Steven Roberts, that's funny. All right. To those of unsure, you are always responsible for your own DD, but I'm saying in my case, I'm holding for 5 years. That's my goal. And right now, I really like the price action right now. We're holding. We are getting rejected, but we are holding above here. The more you touch that resistance, the more likely it is to break. Remember, that's one of the most important things. If Auspicious did a celeb boxing, I'm putting BNGO on it. Oh, man. It's just messed up. He should apologize. Well, whatever. I'm not gonna. Yeah, no disrespect, base policy. Yeah, I'm not gonna get all pissed off about it. Whatever. Okay, we're not. This isn't high. We're not high school girls, are we? Right? We're not gonna get pissed off about that. Whatever. But yeah, it does hurt a little bit. It does hurt a little bit, to be honest with you, man. But whatever. Hey, we don't need Deo. We don't need Deo's support, man. If he thinks I'm copying, whatever. Let him think whatever he wants, man. Let him think whatever, man. I'm not getting into whatever. I still respect him, right? Still respect that. I bet honestly here. I bet this is a mistake. I bet he's just pissed off for some reason and he's in a bad mood and he just said this not really meaning it, right? Because if he actually, if he knew about the stream today, you would know that we covered this news. We already covered it. We're not copying. And I never look at Deo's videos. Okay, I mean I looked at them. The last Deo video I saw was the DD Bible thing. which was good. I have that. I have his due diligence bookmarked here because I respect his work. See, I have it. Where is it? Right here. BNGO Bible. That's Deo's work right there, man. I respect his work. I like him. I like his work. So, anyways, all right. Yeah. Who cares? Yeah, exactly. We're all family. Yep. Yeah, thank you. Sent the Zip Trader video. So this is the video where he talks about BNGO and their company very briefly. Better than all of the other huge YouTubers. Yeah, the price target he said in another vid was $18. Is there any way? Oh my gosh, the short interest will not stop rising. Look at this. They will not cover. I sound like a freaking. I mean, you know what I say it every day, but they're not. You know what they're trying to do. Between me and you, they're trying to push the price down. If they don't, if the bull case happens, I think there's a chance still for very good things to happen. I'll put it at that. Is there any way, unexpected, my friend, thank you so much for doing this, but is there any chance that you could, 772, okay, hold on, I'll ask you in 1 second, 5% almost, 772, broke the intraday high, new intraday high here. We don't really have much buying going on right now, to be honest with you, but it's okay. It's okay. Whatever, as long as we're going up, we're happy, right? We do have buying, right? Remember, all the transactions here are there's no buying or selling technically. We call them buying and selling because the greens are the orders that help the price go up. The red are the orders that help the price go down. So, yeah, there has to be a buyer and seller in every transaction. Otherwise, it wouldn't exist, right? So who's buying? If there's someone buying, there must be someone selling, right? So, yeah. All right. The Fellowship of the Sapphire. Yes, sir. Same guy named Michael Burry. Dude, he's the legend of all shorts. Don't even understand what it is. Is there any chance here, while the price action is kind of cooling down now, is there any chance, Game of Squeeze Friday, is there any chance, unexpected, my friend, is there any chance that you could find the vid where he said the price was 18? I know it's hard to find that probably, I know, but if there's any chance that if there is any chance that you know which video that is, I would love to watch that video and see that. That would be good to see. I trust you, and you've already done great work for us. Thank you so much for that, my friend. I appreciate that. 769 right now, up 4.5%, outperforming everything else. Look at the volume. Enough said, man. Volume, we're literally doubling the dimension of microvision. And for the people that's like, Brandon, what the hell? Why does that matter? Why do you care about the volume? I care about it because typically in the past, not so much in the last few weeks, typically nano dimension and microvision, they kick our ass on volume. Not always, but at least half the. I don't know. It goes back and forth all the time. But historically, these guys used to kick our ass on volume during the downtrend. Right nowadays, the tables have turned, and we're getting more interest, more traders, more long-term hodlers getting new positions. And I think the volume is a decent, not a great indication for that, but it's just an indication for where the momentum is, where the sentiment is. Not always. Of course, if it's a red day and it's huge volume, right? It sucks, of course. But you get what I mean. Yeah, I want to see that vid too. $18 price. But yeah, a lot of people. I'll tell you what, I like Zip Trader. I'll tell you what, Zip Trader. You know why I like Zip Trader? Because he continues to make videos on red days. That is what's awesome about him. He doesn't just show up on one. When we're green, we're up on 10% of the day. He doesn't show up. He does it no matter what. And also, he's very good information. I think he's very good information compared to the YouTube standard, right? Very good information, and I like Dead Inside. I like Trace Trades. Zip Trader is about at the top, I would say, as you can get. As far as of course, he doesn't show his portfolio. I would love if he did that. Of course, no one does that. No one does that, right? Does Trace Trades show his portfolio anymore? I've seen him show his portfolio like once before, but never again. But there are a lot of YouTubers that cover BNGO. Could be anyone Deo is referring to. Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, he could be. Well, he did say all though. He was pretty clear on that, but yeah, I get what you're saying. Hopefully he is. Hopefully he's not referring to us. I hope he's not. Yeah, but back to my Zip Trader thing. Yeah, I was talking about Zip Trader because if he thinks Bionano is going to go to $19, that's his price target. That's huge. A lot of people would pay a lot of people will buy BNGO shares if that's what he really said, or they already have, I guess, if he already said it. But we need to start getting people to see that information because if Zip Trader likes it, a lot of other people like it. Okay, because a lot of people care about what Zip Trader says, man. He's got a strong following, right? He's had a dead. I'll tell you what. Do you guys remember Dead Inside's following from December to February, right? They loved him. Okay, everybody thought the man was a genius, including myself. after everyone's a genius in the bull market, right? If you want to make that claim, right? I mean, dude, I mean, now he's not even making videos anymore, right? How many videos has Dead Inside made since the correction, right? Is he even making them now? I don't know. I'm not throwing shade to Dead Inside, but it just shows you Zip Trader, he's sustained that audience and sustained making videos the entire time, man. So if he thinks BNGO is going to 19 or whatever, I think that's good. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure out it's good. It's definitely good. Me Kevin is quitting. Wait, what? Me Kevin is quitting? What does Me Kevin think about BNGO? Does anyone know? I haven't seen him say anything. He's straightforward and honest like you. Yeah, I try to be here. Let me go ahead and come to my portfolio. I don't want to be a hypocrite, right? I don't want to say, oh, you should show your portfolio and not show it. Right there, it is. There's the full history of the portfolio. There's my positions, right? Yeah, I did hear about he's running for governor. Yeah. He talks like he's literally dead inside. I want to learn about stocks, not worry about the YouTuber's mental health. I know. I kind of feel the same. No disrespect to Dead Inside, but I've thought that exact same thing when I've watched him before, my friend. I'm not kidding. I love Dead Inside. Is cool though. Dead Inside's cool. Okay, Dead Inside's bullish on BNGO, right? I think. Okay, he hasn't really said anything about it, but he has made a couple updates. Right now, testing the intraday high 772. Look at that buying pressure coming in. A ton of shares being bought at the ask, helping the price to go up. Life's not easy, guys. Dead's too emotional for me to watch it. And his name is Dead Inside. It's too funny, right? Dead Inside. All right. Is he a liberal or conservative? I think Me Kevin is running as a Democrat, I believe. But he wants lower taxes and what else does he want? He wants lower regulation, I believe, as well. So, I don't know. So, you tell me. I think it was more for publicity stunt. When is the freaking governor election? I don't know. Somebody update me on what the hell Me Kevin's going on. Somebody update me. Is he getting it or not? I bet he is. I want him to get it. I want him to fix California. You make your own opinion on it. You make your own opinion on if he's going to or not, okay? You make your own opinion. Don't let me tell you what to think. You think what the hell you want, not what I want, okay? Don't let anyone else decide what you're going to say. What state? California. He's running in California, I believe. Me Kevin hasn't done a live stream today. Is he going to stream the Fed thing? Me Kevin lost a lot of money. He had margin on everything, and it was called a couple weeks ago. Really? How are there so many? I don't know. Okay, I could get a margin call tomorrow, I guess. I use margin technically, but how are there so many people that get margin calls? It's so easy not to get them, right? If we look at my risk level, okay, maintenance margin 7,000. What this means, to my understanding at least, is that you need at least this amount of money in your account to sustain, right? Because I do not have $7,000 in actual margin, right? I've been using margin for a long time, and I've never gotten close to I've never gotten close to a margin call at all. I've had the death and carnage, but I've never gotten close to a margin call. How do these people continue to get margin calls? I don't understand it. I don't understand like what is going on? What is going on? Moderate Democrat low, the Democratic machine will chew him up and spit it out. Okay. He only has 10% margin or less. Yeah, how does he get margin calls? I don't understand. Are y'all serious? He lost his voice over the weekend. I can relate to that. He will stream the Fed. Okay, fair enough. He has millions. Yeah, he's fine. Me Kevin's doing fine. Okay, the amount of money Me Kevin probably makes more than $10,000 a day on YouTube. Probably more than that. Maybe. Probably even more than that. I don't know. Some crazy amount. Okay, I tell you that. I know for sure. Okay, I know for a fact. Trust me. He makes a lot of money on YouTube. Okay, and I know that because this small baby channel makes like what? I don't know, anywhere from $10 to like $150 a day. Usually it's average like $30 a day. I showed y'all, if anyone wants to know how much money I make from YouTube or the portfolio, right? This is why I try to be the transparent YouTuber, the only transparent YouTuber ever, okay? Even if you think I'm an idiot, right? Even if BNGO fails, no one can take away from me that we are the most transparent channel, right? I've already made the video about how much I make from YouTube. That was like a couple weeks ago, but it hasn't changed much. Okay, we're still making, what we're making that video, and I show the portfolio, show how much we're making from YouTube. Sorry, excuse me. Stuttering audio technical difficulties. stupidity, all these things you get when you click on a stream of mine. You know what you do not know. I mean, you know what you get yourself into when you click on them, right? Click on this channel. Me, Kevin, just sent a video out. Doesn't have rental properties. I don't know how I feel about him. Yeah, he has like $30 million. Yeah, I try not to use margin overnight. The drop yesterday caused one, but when BNGO got back over 7.5, they relinquished the call. I've never gotten close to get. I mean, I don't know. All this talk about Kevin's meat is making me uncomfortable being to the moon. That's true. Rockets. Let's go. Rockets in the chat. Come on. Yep. We're chesting the intraday high. We're about to break over the intraday high, man. So, hell yeah. I quit is the name of the video? Really? What? I don't know. There's too many YouTubers to keep up with all of them, man. There's too many. There's too many to keep up with, right? Hell, I can't even keep up with my own live streams, right? Hell, half the time I'm almost late, right? That's why I wasn't able to wear the suit yesterday, right? I'm only wearing the suit today because I barely had time. I barely got home in time to do this stream today, right? I only watch Brandon. Legendary. And Marcus, thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Yes, can we stay on topic and leave politics out? We're not talking about politics. Come on now. We're not talking about politics. Just because we say if Kevin is a Democrat or Republican, that doesn't mean we're getting political, right? Come on now. This is not the stream for the I don't know what the hell I was gonna say. I don't know. Stupid idea. Anyways, all right, yeah, let's get back on topic. Right now, 769. If anyone's just getting in here right now, right, short interest has increased on the day substantially. We have a couple pieces of news today, which is actually interesting. Finally, there's something cool going on for once. I feel like, although we've got 2 great PR drops in the last 2 weeks, it still feels, I don't know why. I think I'm just spoiled from last week. Last week, the start of the week was so awesome, and now I'm just spoiled hoping that there's news every day. And nowadays, we don't get that. Okay, that's just a fact. We have a lot of stuff going on today. We have the Fed today. We have options for BNGO expiring on the 18th, Friday. We also have a ton of a standard expiration date for equity indexes, options, a ton of normal options expiring Wednesday, this Friday. There's a ton. It's a witching day. It's I think it's a quadruple or a triple. No, it's not a quadruple, is it? End of quarter days. No, it's not an end of quarter day. So, anyways, there's going to be a ton of options expirations, right? And this week especially, there's going to be last day to try expiring standard AM settled equity index options. Okay, VIX options. Is there a yellow one here as well? Yeah, there is. That's today. No, that was yesterday. Yeah, today's the 6th. No, that is today. Today's Tuesday? Wait, what? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Yeah, that was yesterday. Sorry, I'm stupid. Sorry, that was yesterday. Yes, there's a ton of that stuff. Also, we've got an analyst, new analyst. Here, let's go to the Google Doc here. This is copy and pasted from the article Seeking Alpha because, long story short, they want me to pay money for it. I didn't want to. So basically, I copy and paste the article. And if you look here, right, this article, this person right here, quote, thinks the company may be on the cusp of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing market, right? So it's great to see. Price target is $10, okay? I don't care what the analyst, you get for exposure, for publicity, short term, it's great to see, but, whatever, okay? It's just analysts. What the hell? Whatever. We don't care about the analysts. Analysts don't know what the hell they're doing. All right. We also get the Form 4 and Form 3 file. The Form 3 is just, this is just disclosing that he's an insider according to this right here, right? And then we got a code A. Option is giving, the company is giving the CBO, Richard Shipping here, the legend himself, 400,000 shares in total exercisability when they fully are vested. The expiration date is 2031, and the exercise price is going to be $7.37. I say it's bullish. Screw you if you don't think it's bullish. Not really. You can disagree. It's fine, but I say it's slightly bullish. Not right now. I don't think we should be up 10% because of this, but I do think as time goes on, the fact is all these employees are going to be more incentivized. They're going to be exercising and getting more shares down the line at some point because of this. So I like it. I like to see it. And with that being said, right now we're at 771, about to test the intraday high. Maybe make a new one, up almost 5% of the day. Jeez, rip the bears. Burn the shorts, rip the bears, rip Mythical Physics former bear self, and rip Robbie Smith. Yeah, man. Rip them. Buying 100 shares today if we drop on interest data from Fed today. Yeah, we definitely could. This could be the bull trap here, but no one knows. No one knows if this is a bull trap or a bear trap. Seriously, no one knows. Are you going to show JP in the Fed meeting live if you can without copyright? Can I? Where do I even see that? It's on it should be like on CNBC or some news outlet should be doing it. I guess I can. I don't think I would get copyrighted. Would I? I don't know. I've never tried something like that. I don't think I would get. Would I get copyrighted? I don't know. Somebody tell me if I would get copyrighted. I'll do it. Yeah. I mean, I guess we can. It's gonna be really boring. I kind of don't want to. Plus, the people on this channel probably don't really care. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be eventful. Do y'all want me to? I guess if everyone wants me to, we can. I'm open to it. I'm definitely open to it. Everybody streams it. Is Kevin do it? If Kevin, guys, here's the thing. If Kevin is gonna stream it, it's like, why would I stream it? He honestly, okay, let's just be honest. Okay, inflation is not my thing. He knows more about it than I do. Okay, when I don't know shit, I try to just shut the hell up and not talk about it. With inflation, I mean, yeah, I give my opinions on it all the time. I have a basic understanding, but me, Kevin knows more about it, so I don't know. I'm sure some YouTube channel will broadcast it. Yeah, fair use. YouTube doesn't give a shit about fair use, though. I always cite... Listen, guys, in every single description of every single video, I cite fair use. It doesn't matter. They freaking take my YouTube Lord of the Rings video down, right? If we look at this video right now, I've got fair use disclaimer right here, right? Copyright disclaimer. Fair use, okay? Right, where is it? These so-called fair uses are permitted, right? It doesn't matter. They still take shit down. They don't care. 771 right now. We did hit 773, new intraday high. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Kevin is better on the large-scale catalyst and valuation. Yeah, as far as the inflation stuff, yeah, definitely is. Definitely is. All right, well, I'm getting mixed reactions. I don't know. Yeah, unless they play copyright audio, yeah. Rip the Robbie and the Marcos, rip them good. Yep, yes, sir. I don't think you can copyright government information. Yeah, I think we'd be fine. Keep putting BNGO in the comments on the daily forum on Wall Street Bets to bring awareness. I agree. I think we should. But you are cuter than Kevin. Really? My big ass forehead? Really? You think so? Am I beard? My non-existent beard? I'm cuter than me, Kevin? I appreciate that. That's awesome. I appreciate that, my friend. Just stay in your lane. Damn. I don't know if we should or not. I'm getting mixed reactions. I feel like, I don't know, I'm neutral to doing it or not. I guess we won't. Most people, I don't know. It's mixed reaction. I guess we won't. Beard. There is no beard. Okay, let's get a zoom in on the beard action. It's an attempted beard. It's just whiskers. It's just whiskers. It's an attempted beard. I can't grow a beard. I can grow an Amish beard, but I can't grow a mustache or anything. Yeah, disgusting. I can't shave it. I can't shave it, my friends. I cannot shave the beard until $10 a share. So, yeah. Brandon 2024. Brandon 2028, yes. Not 2032, yes. Amish beard, yes, sir. If you don't want to stream it, you don't need to. We will see if it's good or not based by the price. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Yeah, it's true. Can you grow a sapphire stash? 764 now, about 3.5%. It's a beautiful day for Bionano still. Although we got killed yesterday, everything else got killed, and we're outperforming it in a huge way. Genomics sector, we're outperforming everything. It's beauty. It's beauty today. And for whatever reason, right, I would argue it's probably because I would argue this is today's run-up for Bionano. I mean, no one knows for sure. As I'm saying this, we're cooling down a little bit here. But what was I gonna say? I was gonna say most of this is probably just because people are waking up here. But then again, I don't know. I don't know what the run-up is caused by today. Okay, it's just people getting their head out of their arse a little bit more, right? We got great news today. Well, not great news. We got decent news. I wouldn't consider it great news. Mustache and mustache. 765-ish intraday support. Yeah, not really though. Not really. We're getting rejected right now. Yeah, we were validating that until we just broke down. But yeah, never mind. Lol, could be false width though. Yeah, definitely could be a false breakdown. Yeah. You said $10 end of day. Okay, I'm timing you out again. I never said $10 end of day. I never said $10 end of day, my friend. Is this delayed? No, it should not be delayed. This is ultra low latency. A quote, ultra low latency. That is the stream latency that I've chosen for today's stream. That's what I always do. So it's literally on the least amount of delay and lag as possible. Also, we have the Ethernet cable. Y'all are welcome for having it's up to getting that Ethernet cable. It was only like $15 or so. It was like $16. So we do have that, and the Wi-Fi is good now. Y'all are welcome for that. I mean, with Wi-Fi, theoretically, the Wi-Fi itself could just stop working, but it is the best possible that we can realistically do. He said it's possible because anything is. Yes, I said, yeah, Missing Scholar. I feel like Missing Scholar, he needs therapy, and he's also a troll. So, yeah, he's just a troll. 20K buy 761. 20K, yeah, 761 at the ask, helping the price to move up, yet we're still struggling. Well, we do have a little bit of selling pressure, and 10,000 just sold right there at the bid. Gandalf and the army is marching in for the kill. The auspicious bet Reddit community post the memes is so good, so funny. Use the description for the free Discord link and free Reddit communities links, man. They're all free. Gandalf, oh, man. I got to rewatch Lord of the Rings here. I'm going to rewatch that pretty soon here, man. Bears always spread false information, yeah. Not only is it false information on about BNGO, but now the Bears have resorted to saying, I think we're going to go to $10 in a day and shit. It's like, oh my God. It's like, come on, man. Come on. My stream has a delay of about 2 months. My BNGO price actually just broke down to 26 a share. I'm Frodo then? Sure. I'm Gandalf, I guess. People are saying I'm Gandalf. The memes have been me as Gandalf because I got the beard, the non-existent beard, right? The beard that's getting longer slowly, right? I've been in BNGO long enough to say this is normal. We will go down on Fed's news. And the following 2 days, I buy a discount simple. But what if the Fed bull case happens? Brandon, can you go through the short squeeze? Like, what's the setup looking like right now? Will BNGO stay green, hopefully? Yeah, we don't know. Please don't act like you know that we're going to go down on the Fed news. If you think we're going to go down on the Fed news, sell and get out of here. This is not the community for you, man. I mean, if you want to short-term trade it and be in the community, I guess that's fine, right? I guess you can be in the community, whatever. But no one knows, dude. I think it's going to be. I think it could be very good today. It also obviously could be very bad. Okay, just know what you're doing. Just know what you're doing. All right, you guys know the spiel. But about the short squeeze setup right now, there's not much new to say. Short interest increased today. We have about 1 million borrowed shares in the day. Cost to borrow average about 3%. These guys are going to likely cover by the end of the day, or at least some of them will, and that will send the stop price a little bit higher, but not very significantly. Usually they don't. And there's a lot of dark pool trading going on, and the options are expiring this week now, Friday, and there's 16,000 contracts out there based on the open interest statistic here on the option chain for the calls on the out the money $9 strike price, right? So, dude, that just tells you a lot of people are betting on us going higher. And if it does go higher, they're going to throw those profits back in because these options are going to expire. They're going to get that profit. They're going to throw it back into shares or new options, resulting maybe in a gamma squeeze. That's the bull case. There's only a possibility of that. Okay? There's a possibility of it. I want to be extremely clear here for the trolls out there so even they cannot misinterpret me. There's a chance for gamma squeeze. I think there is. Think whatever you want. You disagree. I think there's a short squeeze and gamma squeeze potential if the bull case were to happen. But I don't know when, and I don't know if it's going to happen, and I don't know how high it's going to send the price. Likely above $10 if it were to happen. Not likely going back down to 4 even on Fed news. I agree. Dude, $4 is insane. We would have to give up about 45% of our value from where we're at right now. Do you see us going down 45% today? No, we're not going to go down 45% today. That's insanity. Even if the Fed crashed the markets, I mean, maybe like 5, 10, 15, 20% max. Probably not even. That is a little bit crazy if the Fed is going to be bad. So I disagree with you. Feds have no good news. Trust me. Well, why do you think the Fed's not going to have any good news? The CPI data wasn't that bad. I don't think the Fed is. I think the Fed believes that they are still. To be honest with you, okay, make your own opinions, but I think the Fed is stupid enough to believe that their idea is going to still work even if the CPI data continues to get worse. I think they're still going to keep trying to do what they've been doing. Keep the government spending at the highest level in history, isn't it? No one's confirmed. I think the government right now is spending more money than it ever has in the history of the world. The U.S. government, I think it is right now, which is insane to say. But whether or not that's good or bad, you determine. But you make your own opinion, but though that's one of the things that potentially can be scary for the markets. Job employment isn't back to normal, so Fed will take this into consideration. Yeah, I don't think the Fed will lower interest rates or do anything crazy. Right? They're thinking about doing tapering. Who honestly thinks the Fed will purposely cause a crash or a huge dip? Things to think about. Things to think about. Not even $5 floor. Look at M1 and M2 money supply chart. The Fed, I mean, you tell me, man. The Fed has spent, I mean, the government has spent a lot of money. Has that been the reason why we've gone up a lot? That's short term. That's certainly a reason why, to some extent. Not a crash correction. Probably sixes. 5-star analyst from Tip Ranks, and she's putting BNGO at $10. Yep. ECB increased purchases. Fed will follow suit and keep buying. Yeah. Yeah. Plus, yeah. 763 right now, about 3.5%. We did have news today. If anyone's getting in right now, we did have news. We had the Tip Ranks guy or girl, I should say. What's her name? I don't know how to pronounce her name, but yeah, she's putting the price target at $10. And if we go to this right here, she thinks that the company may be on the cusp of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing markets. Gosh damn. Why am I yawning so much these last 3 days? I've been yawning every single day these last 3 days. What's up? What's up with that? My average is 697, good, 1,500 shares. Hell yeah, it's good. You're up in the green right now, aren't you? Hell yeah, man. Anything in the green. You can't complain if you're in the green, man. Take profits right now if you don't know what you're doing, though. If you don't know what you're doing, don't buy the stock. Don't hold the stock. If you do know what you're doing, I don't have to tell you. If you already know what you're doing, you know what to do. Be greedy when everyone's fearful. I think it will go up. Not financial advice, but do you guys think buying a BNGO calls for 7 is a good idea? In the money, $7 calls. This is a very long term for me. Yeah, for me as well. Sung, as it is in the past tense of saying. JIB. Okay. As a long-term holder of BNGO, I will not even care for the number short-term. I only benefit from the discount share price. Yeah, I agree. That's my thinking, and that's what y'all's thinking should be as well. If we do dip here, right, bear case, it's just a buying opportunity. At least for me, it is. For me, it is, right? For you, you know, you make your own decision if this is a long-term play or not, whatever. Okay, so have a normal name like Bob. Yeah, that'd be better, right? Guys, just hold and wait for Feds. That's what someone else is saying. I'm not saying that. You need to make your own decision if that's what you're gonna do. Up 3% right now. High growth's kind of getting killed right now. Just not getting killed, but it's just kind of slowly bleeding, cooling down, I should say. Not getting killed, but it's cooling down, right? So, yeah. By and large, everything is kind of cooling down. Tattooed Chef's getting killed. GameStop's getting killed. AMC's getting killed today. Oh, AMC's down 10%. AMC's down 10%. Yes. Yes. Keep going down. I will buy you. You need to go down more, though. Oh, gosh. It's not even close to my target. Let me look at some stuff here. I don't like that. That's not bad. That's not good. 4 hourly, 49 RSI, neutral on the 4 hourly RSI. Yeah, I think this thing can go down more. I will buy if this thing comes down a little bit more. I'm not saying it's likely that it will. I'm just saying it's going to be a little bit more auspicious if it comes down a little bit more. Are we still inside a symmetrical triangle? Well, we're not inside the... Well, let me see. We're technically... I mean, I guess you could technically call this a symmetrical triangle, I guess, because we do have a descending resistance here in this, and there's an ascending level, but we haven't validated this in a while. So I wouldn't call it... I would call this more of a descending triangle that we've just broken down below, which is not good, right? Technically, the price target is $6. I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, these descending triangle price targets are down all the time, or are wrong all the time, but that's technically what we have here. And yeah, I would not call this a symmetrical triangle short term. The descending triangle, and then there's an ascending support coming in, and we also have the 21 SMA on the daily. That's going to come in and help the price, maybe. Hey, Ricardo, baby. Mother, damn it. Buy zone going back to 60. I'll probably add 1 share here in a little bit. Bond market thinks that the Fed won't be negative for markets. The 10-year break-even inflation rate has started to go up as well. Tesla getting slaughtered. Oh, is it? Tesla's getting slaughtered today? Eh. Are you just messing with me? Because I say it's getting slaughtered. I say stuff is getting dumped all the time, and now it's down like 1%. Yeah, I mean, it is making higher lows, making lower highs as well, short term. But yeah, I'm really tired right now for some reason. I did have to wake up early. I had to go and I had to go drop off my dog at the vet this morning. So I'm tired. I had to wake up extra early this morning, my friends. Drink Coke, man. It has caffeine. No, no. Good news from Fed, and 8 is new support added at 7:35 today and 7:52 today. I see. I'm more in your thinking, right? If the Fed is good today, yeah, $8 is more likely than $6 and $7 flat. I think so. Is your dog named BNGO? I can see why you would think that. Obi-Wan BNGO. That's the best name I've ever heard, pretty much. What is your BNGO price prediction for market close? Okay, I'll give you a bull and bear case. Is that fair? All right, Fed goes well today. I'll give you a price target of $7.75 or $8, something like that. And then a bear case is $7, $7.25 to $7, maybe even lower than that, I would say. And yeah, bear case we could go even lower than that. Bull case we could go to $9, I guess. So. Also, Doge, lol. My dog looks exactly like the Dogecoin dog. Almost exactly like it. Yeah, golden, lab, and golden retriever mix. That's what mine is, at least. I don't know what the Doge one is, but it looks very similar to it. 3% right now, 759. So why are GM Toyota making new highs but Tesla only supports Cathy Wood? That's a good question. That's a good question. Jay doesn't like Tesla. Man. Boomer alert. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't like Tesla. I don't like Tesla as much as many people do. I have a pure golden. Missing score. Are you talking to me? You did me dirty. Well, you got to be clear. You got if you think the thing that if I am right in what I think you mean here, you need to be more clear in what you mean. When you say when you say you're blaming somebody if the stop price doesn't go to 10 today, you need to be more clear. Pure golden, that's awesome, Marcus. Guys have some free cash ready to buy the dip. 705 bear case and 810 bull case. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. I'd say that's pretty. I'd say it's pretty accurate. I'd say I agree. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty accurate. Although the Fed could come out today and it could be a lot more less exciting than people are thinking. That's nothing. That's no one is talking about the base case, which is just the Fed does nothing. The markets are like, okay, nothing, whatever. Continue, you know. So I think we will close at or near $8. That's a good prediction. I think you may be right if the bull case happens. I think you'll be very right. Little okay, boomer. I think Tesla will be one of the winners, but the stop price is priced for a monopoly. Yeah, well, will you trust the CEO of an electric car company that manipulates crypto? Lol. Everyone loved Elon Musk. Not 5 months ago, 3 months ago, everyone loved Elon Musk. Now the Bitcoin guys are against him. I mean, I don't know. But Bitcoin's down to 38K today. Nice. Mara is bleeding, but it's way up, right? I missed the chance. I missed the boat on Mara. I technically I didn't. Technically I had shares, but I sold them way too early. When you're up 20% in a few days, you got it. I mean, it's never bad. When you're in the green, you can't complain. But yeah, obviously in the hindsight, I wish I held. Yeah. So. I'm so tired right now. Wake up, Brandon. Wake up. I gotta start yelling here. Wake up, Brandon. Listen, we can email BNGO and tell them we want Sapphire 2.0 because we are the shareholders. What? Dude, they don't even respond. We don't know. Oh, dude, let me break something to you. The IR doesn't care about us. I mean, they care about us a little bit, but they don't care because we don't own enough shares, right? If you have a lot of shares, they may care what you say. Otherwise, they don't give one, right? If you only have a couple thousand shares, a couple hundred shares like we do, they don't care. I mean, we're talking about a $2 billion market cap, okay? They don't care if you have $10,000 in. That's just the hard truth, man. That's just the hard truth of the markets, right? It's great. I love the system that we have here with the markets, but that's just what it is. That's just how it is, and that's not peculiar to Bionano. That's with every stock. Sapphire is lit. I see what you did there. All right, boys. Why is the T capitalized in descent? That's a good question. Yeah, we do have an ascending support and resistance here. Yeah, I should have drawn this up a while ago. Yeah, a bit of an ascending support here. Something like that. All right, I'll just leave it right there. I'll just leave it right there for now. So why is the T capitalized in descent? Just to be weird and unique and different. Literally, that's the only reason. But for anyone who doesn't know what auspicious descent actually means, right? Likely to succeed, unfavorable opinion. That's pretty much what it is. Good morning, Mr. Auspicious. Good morning to you, Kenneth. Good morning, my friend. Makes sense for me. I still think we will end the week around 950. 950. That would be sweet, wouldn't it? That would be sweet. We certainly could. I can't complain, Kate. I can't complain with how the price. I can't complain how the price action, how it's went the last few weeks, right? If you average down on the dip, you're a very happy person right now. So also with the fundamental increases, you can't complain. So much good news. I mean, the business expansion is proven. The CLIA lab is great. We've got China Sapphire sales. We got Russell 3000 inclusion. We've got so much good news, man. That's not even all. Okay, this stuff that I'm not even mentioning, that I'm forgetting right now. I forget stuff all the time. All hell breaks loose on Friday. Yeah, Friday hopefully will be interesting. Although the triple witching and the option expiration days, they've been kind of anticlimactic in the past on this channel, I think, though. But yeah, Friday. Hopefully, the rest of this week should be pretty interesting as far as volume and options and expiration dates and triple witching and a ton of stuff going down on Friday. Right, we have a ton of stuff going down the rest of the week. Right, we have a ton of options expiring. If we don't end today at least 8, I won't sleep. I'm down $100. So stressed, feel dizzy. Okay, that's how you know this guy's a troll. Yeah, Myth and Scar. It was funny at a point. Now it's kind of just getting. Yeah, we all know you're trolling, my friend. We all know you're trolling. What's your take on GEVO? I feel it's at times been close to BNGO and also disrupted to its sector. I don't want to give strong opinions on the electric vehicle sector, but I don't know enough about the company to give you a strong opinion. But I'll just say this: I'm not a super big fan of the valuation or the hype. Maybe I should say not the hype. I'm not bearish on it, but I just want everybody to be wary of the electric vehicle sector. I want everybody to know about the downside to clean energy when it comes to electric vehicles, right? I want you all to know that it's not clean 100% of the time, right? Every battery that you get for electric vehicle, you have to mine and use gas and emit carbon emissions to get. And a lot of stuff about electric vehicles is not as clean as they tell you. But I'll just say that. I'll just say you need to if you're gonna do it. If you're an EV guy, that's great. I'm not bearish on it. Okay, make your own decision. That's fine. It's great, amazing. Okay, you made a lot of money this far, right? If you're an OG EV guy, you made a lot of money this far. But just understand the energy difference and the energy output from electric vehicles to current to gas power. That's what I would say. Not necessarily bearish on. I'm not necessarily bearish on. I just want you to know that stuff. Okay, so I don't want anyone to say, "Oh, Brandon, you're bearish on EVs." I'm not necessarily saying that. Not to mention the coal burn to make the power. Yep. Also, I shouldn't go into that. Well, yeah. Friday the 25th should be interesting one with the Russell 3000 inclusion at the close. Yes, it should be. It should be very interesting. Yes. Yep, EV is a joke if you're doing it for the environment. I didn't say. I'm reading a comment. I don't think that, but I do think. I just think that people that are with the EVs are a little bit too optimistic about the environmental benefits for EVs. That's the truth. So, if you get pissed off, if you disagree, that's fine. I'm not bearish on EVs. I'm just telling you there is another side of the coin to EVs. Supposedly, this is how we're going to save the environment. There's something that Elon Musk and all the Tesla people, they don't tell you that what's going on with the production for it. What color gas burning Lambo are you buying? I don't know. I'm not actually. You know what? A good question. That's funny. I see what you did there, but I'm not a car guy. Internal combustion is about 20% efficient. Power plants are about 33% efficient. I'll tell you what, if you want the environment to do good, think about this. Go research this. Nuclear powered cars. Go do some research on that. Once the government regulation ends on nuclear power, dude, it's going to be. I mean, it's already like what 25% of the world's power is already powered by nuclear. I have a nuclear watch list in here. Okay, no, I actually deleted it. Well, I was watching nuclear energy stocks for a while, but I need to start doing that again. I always forget because BNGO is the only thing that gets views. I've done nuclear power stocks videos before, I think, or at least I talked about them. A very small amount though. Yeah, but OGs probably don't even remember that. But yeah, if y'all have any good nuclear energy stocks, let me know, man. Let me know. I'm not even in that world yet. Okay, I've been in the world, but I'm not in it right now. So next week's a great week for BNGO boys and girls. Yeah, we were researching nuclear aircraft engines, but they were way too dangerous. Well, with the dangerous nuclear thing, well, I won't. You. Let's check it out. Uranium extraction and recovery, along with exploration permitting uranium properties. Seems a little bit interesting. Right. A study shows to create all these EV and alternative energy stuff, it will do more harm to the environment than currently. Nuclear power is the cleanest form of energy, but DIMs don't own those stocks. Well, nothing against the DIMs, nothing against that stuff, but nuclear energy, I am interested in nuclear energy stuff. FUV, URE. Yeah, y'all better let me know about some good nuclear energy stocks because I have not even. Okay, uranium mining. Yep. Seems interesting. Here, you know what? I'm going to add these two. To a. Well, you know what? No, I'll do the watch list later. I'm not going to do it on stream. That'll take too long. I'm not saying EV sucks. Hey, come on. I'm not saying EV sucks. We have a lot of EV bulls here. I know EVs are not. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm just telling you, there is another side of the coin that Elon Musk does not. I've never heard Elon Musk talk about the downsides of electric energy. Right? I'm just telling you, there is another side of the coin. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying nuclear energy is the best. I'm just trying to say that maybe nuclear energy stocks have a good future. Maybe. With next-gen nuclear reactions, you can run a plant purely off its nuclear waste for a century. CLSK, also Bitcoin mining. That's interesting. I've heard a lot about that one, yeah. Gevo is doing something different with carbon-free renewable. Their chart it just almost looks identical to BNGO Times. Interesting. Hydrogen for small cars is nearly impossible for trucks. Yes, I've owned it. Robert Dudley, what stock? 1000 ISRG. Is that what's the nuclear energy stuff? Here, let me go ISRG. ISRG, is that what it is? ISRG. Is this a random stock or is this a nuclear energy thing? Complicated stuff. It's all the profile is so complicated every time. Set of instruments which incorporates Indo-wrist technology. Okay. Joint stuff. Okay, never mind. We're trying to confirm the outstanding level of support, but we're not really we're struggling. We're very much struggling. I think we are starting the barcode here. Yeah, interesting barcode that we have not had this kind of barcode. I've not seen this kind of barcoding for a while, if ever, for BNGO. That's interesting. New kind of barcoding today. It's similar, but it's technically different, right? So, all right, I have to pass the BNGO office. Almost every day, so as long as their lights are on, I'm all in. The only danger of nuclear is where to store it when you can't use it anymore. Isn't it? I don't know if this is true. I believe it is, though. Didn't they say, isn't there a study out there or some fact out there that says all the nuclear waste in the world can be stored in like one football field, right? Compared to EVs and gas, isn't that like nothing? I don't know if that's true, though. Isn't that true? Can you discuss the origin of you following BNGO? I'm a new watcher. Okay, so basically you can just see the channel's history. We've been making videos since, I think, like February 4th, like back at $10. The stock has been on my watch list since it was about $1 a share, or at least a penny stock. And then my first investment was a play money investment back there. First serious investment was at $5. And instead of long-term hodling, I was trading it, and I missed out on a lot of profits that way. And then I was holding the bag for a while after I started making serious investments in it. And then as it went down, I was getting killed. We were making videos, average down, and nowadays the portfolio's up like what, 80%, 75% right now. If the portfolio percent fluctuates like 10, 20% a day. But that's kind of the origin. Yeah, that's kind of the origin. Yeah. Yeah, I hope that answers your question a little bit. How's the chart looking, Brandon? So the chart is not looking, I mean, it's not looking great, to be honest with you. Okay? I mean, there's a lot of things that can help us. The chart, 4-hourly start, we just got the bearish reversal on the 4-hourly, right? So that is the first thing, the signal reversal. But if we look at the other indicators, right, daily RSI, weekly stochastic indicator, we're not really. I mean, we are cooled down. And look at the RSI. Okay, we're at 58 in the RSI. We're literally neutral now. We're doing fine. We're going up. We're kind of going up, but we're not going up too far too fast. You know, you cannot make the argument that we've gone up too far too fast at all. I would say we're still in uptrend territory, midterm, I would say, or short to midterm based on the 21 SMA, right? Since we broke over that, we've been in uptrend territory, and we have not broke over that since the downtrend started. So we're still in uptrend territory, but short term, we may have, or this could be a false signal. These are false signals all the time, but this is technically the start of a bearish reversal, or it could be a false signal, okay? So that's kind of what we're looking at. I would say there's a ton of other indicators that we could look at as well, but I think I'm going to bore everybody with that. I mean, I could do a full analysis if you want, but what's my story? Education, job, training. Okay, so that I'm basically my story is that I'm just like y'all. I'm in college, I'm young, and I'm just like y'all, man. I'm just on YouTube, following stocks. I've been doing stocks for a long time, and I thought, and I basically I did. Oh god, I'm gonna lose so many viewers off this. But basically, I started a channel because I saw so much shit out there, and I saw people asking for likes and Weeble links every 5 seconds, and I was like, dude, God, no one has the brain to just not talk about irrelevant shit, and it's hypocritical because I'm kind of doing that right now. But at least I don't ask for likes, right? Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I can talk about the story some other time, man. Yeah. You sound very intelligent. Love the channel, man. I appreciate that. Nick Miller, I appreciate that, my friend. Thank you so much. Make your own decisions, though. Make your own decisions, please. Duke Energy is a solid nuclear. Okay, let me look that up. What is that? Duke Energy? Sounds interesting. That's what I say. That's what I said about all of them. Develops and operates wind and solar renewable generation throughout the continental United States. This is not. Sounds interesting. All right, we are breaking out. The SN level. Damn. Okay, they own nuclear facilities. Okay, fair enough. Didn't sound very nuclear to me, right? Oh man. Let's see here. What comments am I missing here? Right. It still takes oil and gas to charge EVs and lots of newly mined natural resources to make them. Yes, it does. I followed you since February under John Doe. Finally set up a YouTube account. I'm a BNGO OG. Hell yeah, Teddy. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much, man. No, my whole portfolio is, if you're a new viewer here, my whole portfolio is BNGO. Basically, for some reason, I still have one BlackBerry share. I don't know why. I took profits on the other 19 shares that we made like 10, 20% on when we traded that live. Not bragging. I'm just telling you. Okay, I lose money. Okay, you guys know we do trades that are horrible all the time. Okay, my Clover trade. My Clover trade is horrible. Okay, let's look at the Roth IRA account. Okay, it's horrible. Look at this. Okay, look at that. That's ugly. 17% down. Of course, it is play money. Okay, it's play money for a reason. Okay, because it's not, I'm just messing around. But still, what do you call it? Yeah, BNGO is the whole portfolio. My point is BNGO is the whole portfolio. Yeah. What else was I gonna say there? No, I'm not in the GME or AMC, but I will be in AMC if it continues to dip. Down 10% right now. Yeah, can this please go down a little bit more? Come on, go a little bit. I'll do one lottery ticket AMC share if y'all want. Y'all want me to do one AMC lotto ticket? I will. I'll do it for the cause. I don't care. I will if y'all want. Peer pressure is too easy for me. It's just a little bit of peer pressure. It's like, all right, done. Yesterday we added one BNGO share because y'all wanted me to. I'm telling you, I do it. I watch every day for months, just now doing the chat. Awesome. Freaking legend. Thank you. I appreciate that, my friend. Freaking legend. What is the end goal? Short squeeze, hodl till 100? It's pretty complicated, but it's fundamentally undervalued. There's proof of manipulation. There's a high short interest that only continues to increase, and we've got a gamma squeeze potential with a short-dated buying of call options and open interest hodling of them expiring this week, right? It's 18th of June. So with this and some other reasons leads me to believe that if the bull case happens, which is not a huge chance of happening, but if the bull case does effectuate, then there is a chance for us to freaking squeeze, man. There is, as simple as it gets. 12,000 shares just bought the ass there. 756. I like to see it. We're still going down, though. Still going down. Anyways, you got disconnected. What are you talking about? You're making me worry. Don't. I have the Ethernet cable plugged in, my friend, just for y'all, just for the Wi-Fi, just to screw all the Wi-Fi shorts, right? Rip the Wi-Fi puts. But yeah, what was I talking about? End of year goal is about $20 likely case, not 100. I mean, if Wall Street Bets decides to make this a short squeeze candidate, and actually realizes there is manipulation going on, yeah, we can go to $100. Very, very unlikely, though. Extremely unlikely. I mean, less than a 1% chance. One AMC share. All it takes is one person to say it, and then I'm in. All right, I'll tell you what. I'll make you a deal. If I'll tell you what. I will buy an AMC share if it goes down more than 12%. Right now it's down 10%. All right, how's that? Technicals don't look that good, but I'll do a lotto ticket just for the cause. I'll do it. We lost on a dollar on AMC by not buying a minute ago. 3% right now, about to test the ascending level of resistance now. If it is, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this level does not even matter. I think I'm just going to go ahead and delete this because it is not mattered at all. We may have more of an ascending level like this coming in. Yeah, something like that. Yep. Yeah, maybe something like that, right? You got a perfect validation there, got some there, and then you got this one. Maybe something like that. Maybe. I sold at 8, took 50% profit, and I'll be back at 675. What if it doesn't hit 675? Why are you so confident in hitting 675? I mean, it could if the Fed really crashes the markets today, it could definitely hit $6 and lower. But if it doesn't, you're never gonna see low sevens again. Maybe. Okay, make your own decision. That may be a little bit too much, but yeah. $52 for 100K for the cause. $52. Wait, is it valued at one? Is it 52 right now? Yeah, it is. And one share is a fair amount. It's a fair amount of money. Oh, he's thinking about the gap. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, not really though. That's lower than the gap though. 675 is lower than the gap. The gap would be we already kind of filled the gap. If you want to be that fill the gap guy, we kind of already filled it. Plus, you guys know my spiel about gaps. I'm not going to do it again. That's not a lottery ticket. Waiting for under 52 is not going to get any tendies today. All right, tell you what. I'll do 11% then. Whoa, what the? Peer pressure. I'll buy a lotto ticket here. Oh, damn. It already starts running without me. No, I'm not about to chase. Nope, I'm not about to chase on a live stream today because I know some people follow my trades instantly just like that. No, I'm not doing that. No. It can run without me. At the end of the day, I don't care. I actually do care. I want it to squeeze already so people can take their money in AMC and throw it back into the good stuff. How do you want to do this, big boy, regarding my... how many zeros is that? I can't see. Some crazy amount. 1 million. Is that 1 million or 10 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 million shares. I told you yesterday. I don't know why. I told you. Email me at auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com. And then Newsweek. It's very all you have to do if you're on desktop. All you have to do is look up snipping tool and then make a little screenshot of your portfolio. Here, you want me to show you how to do it? I can show you how to do it right now if you want. And just send that to my email. Send it to a Reddit post of the BNGO subreddit, or you can send it to the Discord, free link in the description, or I don't know what. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. I gave you my number. I might do a three-way call between you and Mr. Investor, although he seems to have been able to confirm my holding. I don't know your number. I don't think you gave me the number unless you emailed me and I haven't seen it. So I don't think you gave me your number, my friend. Yeah, I'll do a Newsweek interview. I've seen his videos. I've seen he apparently has a huge amount of shares, so I'm open to it. Absolutely. How was the Fed meeting? It hasn't happened yet. It's happened at 1 p.m. Central, 2 hours before the market closes. That's when the Fed Reserve announcement happens. Then 30 minutes after that, that's when JP comes on conference. SENS back green would have been nice to have this 10% swing today. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. All the way down to 3.3. Now it's at 3.7. Call me when you want. You have an open book. All right, I don't have your number unless you did. I guess you emailed it to me. I don't. Here, let me. I don't like checking the email on stream though, because then people see the private emails. People want it to be private, so I feel bad. So I'll check it later. But all right, yeah. Here, let me check on the. You know what? Let me check right here. I have another laptop right here. What am I talking about? Yeah, no, I didn't get you. Yeah, no, I don't know what your phone number is, my friend. How do you expect me to call you? I don't have your phone number. Newsweek, my friend. Where? Oh, I see. Sorry. I'm stupid. I see it now. Sorry, I'm dumb. Sorry, man. All right, got it. All right. Good to go, my friend. Thank you. I got your phone number now. Thank you so much. I'll call. I don't know. I guess I'll call you some other time. Yeah, if you got 1 million shares, yeah, that'd be cool. All right. BNGO tweets. 761 right now. Right, let's see it. Let's go right here. We don't need this anymore. Oh, is this new? Oh, this is new. Finally, for once, we have something new. Yes, we have something new for once. Oh my gosh, for once. Okay, we have honored to have Dr. Wayne something of Curie Institute of France share his research on a high throughput single molecule method, optical replication mapping, ORM at the 8th report of CGM EU. Join the Zoom meeting today at 1 p.m. Central Time or CST to learn more. Okay. Interesting. All right, that's good to see. We should probably do that. If we're still streaming there. That's new news. Yeah, that's new. And that just happened, what, 1 minute ago? That's good. That's very good. Yeah, well, here's the thing. A high throughput single molecule method, optical replication mapping. This is not I barely know what that means. Dude, I'm optical genome mapping, not optical replication mapping. Somebody explain to me what the hell this means more. I'm not trying to say a strong opinion on something I don't know about fully. But this could be cool. Obviously, it's another doctor. A new high throughput single molecule method. It can only be good news. 763. 764. Yeah, what is ORM? Yeah, I don't know what ORM is. Optical replication mapping. I don't know. A new method. A nanonozzle. Marcus says nanonozzle. That's too funny. Can you imagine? Oh, that would be sick, wouldn't it? They just open up with a slide that says nanonozzle commercial release. Oh, man. It could. Hypothetically, it could happen, right? They've been working on it most likely for 5 years or more. Right, so yeah, 765, 764. Oh yeah, sounds cool. Yeah, it does. We do have news. For once, there's new news. They actually posted new news to their Twitter. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Ha ha ha. Rockets, yes sir, rocket time. Ha ha. Up we go. It's on BNGO's website. It's not on the upcoming events. Send me a link, will you? Because I don't know if. What do you mean it's on their website? I guess it doesn't really matter. Has it already been on their website? Is that what you mean? Has it already been on their website? That would not be good, but it's still good. There is still something new going on, right? It's a new method, which is, I mean, this could be cool. I don't want to say what this is because I don't know. Okay, optical replication mapping. I don't know what the hell that really is. I barely know what OGM is, man. Smart thing to do is just to treat BNGO like an ETF and park your money there, in my opinion as well. But, you have to know what you're doing if you're going to do that. 768, 4% in the green right now. I would say this is because of the news, but it's not. Everything is running. Everything is climbing right now. The news does not matter. No one cares about the news. No one ever does. But this could be good. I mean, dude. Shares research on a high throughput single molecule method optical replication mapping in the 8th report of CGM EU. 8th report. Dude, man. What could this mean? Interesting. I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't even want to say my speculation because I don't even understand what ORM really is. Somebody give me your ape language. You the nerd, go study it. Well, I am the nerd on BNGO, but I'm not the nerd on biology and genetics. I've done what I can to understand the variance and the specs of the sapphire, but the ORM, dude, I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and learn about this right now on stream. Is there any articles in here about BNGO doing replication mapping before? Of course, number of fibers that both have and do not have replication tracks, allowing for the calculation of absolute efficiency with these replication initiates of each locus in the genome. Yeah, no. Not understanding very well. Let me do this. BNGO. Oh, okay, there you go. DNA replicate. No, that's not optical replication mapping. That's DNA replication using optical genome mapping. No. This is new. This is the new thing that we've never heard before. This is new. 769. Bro, the previous high. About to test the resistance of the 4-hourly 21 SMA. Yep. It's at 769. This is new. This could be pretty freaking interesting. This could be freaking interesting as hell. Single molecule approach to mapping. Good morning, my friend. The body of humans and other organisms develop and grow when cells divide, and when cells divide, and for each division, the entire genome needs to be replicated. Can lead to genome instability, mutations, cancer. Okay. We are holding pretty good. Yeah, what a solid day after yesterday's garbage performance. Yeah, also today is a garbage performance for high growth as well, kind of, right? Look at microvision's down. Nano Dimension only up 2%. Bionano is up 4%. AMC's down 10%. BlackBerry's down 6%. Everything's getting killed. Clover's getting absolutely annihilated. Mars down. Most of high growth is not doing that great, right? And if you look at the broader markets, Russell 2000 is barely up. The Nasdaq is barely up. The SPY and Dow are down. Bionano is outperforming in a big way today. So far. Could help develop new cancer drugs with reduced side effects. Robots to survive in the negative news. Waiting for that news. BNGO has cured cancer up to $1,000 stock. Yeah, seriously. Gosh, I keep yawning. I'm too tired. I can't get, even with the news and the stock price going up here, I can't even get that much energy right now. I'm too tired right now. I got yawning everywhere. But yeah, this could be big. We've never heard of optical replication mapping with the Sapphire before, right? At least to my understanding, right? If you just look up, I just did optical replication mapping with BNGO. There's nothing. There's DNA replication with optical genome mapping, but there's not optical replication mapping. That's new. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is new. Another method, more accuracy maybe, different finds, different knowledge to be found with it maybe. Discord? No. Oh. Whoa. What is this? Is this new? Oh, come on. I can't even. All right, hold on. It's 11:49 a.m. Eastern time, so that's going to be 10:49. So yeah, this is new. All right, let me go ahead and refresh this and then go ahead and Copy and paste all this. Copy and paste. Boom. And then let's go ahead and do it the cheap way. This is how you get rid of the freaking... This is how you have to maneuver with these damn articles, man. All right. Okay. So how does this start out? Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. This is a new article. It's a new article. Bionano Genomics expected further upside. This is really short. Okay, so it starts up right here. Okay, here we go. All right. Yeah, BTIG analysts led by Sung Ji Nam, I guess, anticipate further room for upside as they initiate the cover for the stock. Okay, yada yada. Okay. Noting the potential of the company's optical genome mapping technology, the analysts of the Bionano is on the edge of disrupting the society genetics testing market, opening a company estimated total addressable market of 700 million to 1 billion. That's wrong again. It's not the total addressable market. It's the freaking it's the market opportunity. This is what they would be making annually. This is like more like the serviceable obtainable market, not the TAM. To my understanding. I mean, that's just wrong. Whatever. That's a subtle difference. Whatever. That's fine. All right. The large-scale structural variations in the genome that are not reliably detected only by next-generation sequencing technologies, but addressed by BNGO's OGM technology, could become a significant part of the genetic analysis market. With the company's recent earnings release, CFO has said, we anticipate that the strength of our balance sheet will enable us to clear barriers to global standard adoption. Okay, yada, yada. There's literally nothing new in here. Literally, this is just a restating of what we just got. I mean, it's fine. Thank you so much for the people that told me this is great news. Obviously, okay, this is great. I mean, it's good to see that there's more bullish articles, I guess, covering the upgrade in price target, I guess, or new buy rating. But yeah, this is nothing new. So, but yeah, this is. I mean, what do we want me to say? I mean, it's fine. It's good. It's not huge. I like the headline. The headline's really nice, right? Expected to generate further upside, right? I like that. But nothing huge, I would say. That's what I would say. I could be wrong. So, yeah. Thank you for the person. Thank you, Green Money, my friend. 420 stocks. I love your name. That's awesome that you posted that so quickly. Thanks so much. That's why we have the best community that there is. That's why we cover stuff more quickly than other YouTubers. Sometimes we just do. Did Deo cover that one respectfully, right? No shade, no disrespect, but I can't believe I still can't believe he said that. Whatever. We don't need whatever. He's a bull on BNGO, so even if he's gonna throw us under the bus or whatever. I don't care. We don't. A bull of BNGO is my friend. At the end of the day, 3.5%, almost 4% up in the green right now. More exposure, at least. Yeah, it's better than it. It's better than. I mean, I'm glad it came out, but obviously, it's literally just an excuse for an article. There's nothing important said in it at all. I mean, let me go over this again. Let's see if there's anything interesting at all. We already knew this. It's literally just wording it differently. Literally noting the potential of OGM, right? That's literally what they said up here, right? In the other one. And then they get the total addressable market completely wrong. That's way off. 700 million to 1 billion. That's completely wrong. That's just not true. It's just false. No, the Sapphire has a way higher total addressable market than that. Yeah, there's nothing new here. I mean, I guess the only thing new, right? This is old, but at least it wasn't in the other article. The CFO quote here, right? We anticipate that the strength of our balance sheet will enable us to clear barriers to global adoption of OGM with Sapphire. I like that they put that in there. I like that a lot. I know. He didn't say my name, but he was pretty clear. All other BNGO articles, so I don't know. Y'all articles about BNGO doing ORM back on April 22 and 23 old. Are you sure? Because I just looked it up and it wasn't. Are you sure? Hold on, let me do it again. Yeah, all right, here we go. So April 22nd, yeah. This is not optical replication mapping though, right? I think this is the one that you're talking about, April 22nd, right? No. New DNA replication using optical genome mapping. I don't think that's the same thing, right? Optical replicate, ORM. This is OGM to study DNA replication. We're talking about in the new study, in the new tweet here, We're talking about ORM, using ORM for high throughput single molecule method, right? That's not, they don't mention that in this article right here. So I don't think that's right, my friend. I appreciate that, but I think this is new to my, maybe I could be wrong. Rumor on the street is that Brandon has a spot on DJ Khaled impression. Are we watching the BNGO meeting or Fed meeting because they're at the same time? Maybe neither, to be honest with you. I don't know. I do want to watch this live, though. Yes. Well, here's the thing, though. It's at the 8th report of this thing, so it's going to be a ton of stuff that's not BNGO until the 8th report. So it's going to be like, well, crap. How are we going to time that perfectly? I don't know. So, I don't think it's the result of that study. I don't think so. It sounds completely different. ORM is clearly different than OGM. That much we know, right? I don't know what ORM really is. Optical replication map. I don't really understand this. OGM is what I've tried to understand. I got a decent job of doing a decent understanding now, but ORM, no idea. So 4% in the green almost right now. Yeah, okay. This is what I say we do. I say we can hopefully, probably stream the new companies invent new acronyms all the time. Well, yes, but Dr. Wang is going to talk about not a new necessarily. They don't say new, but he's going to talk about a high throughput single molecule method, optical replication mapping. That's new, I think. At least that jargon is definitely new. I don't think we've had a high throughput single molecule method called ORM before. So it could be new, it could be nothing, but or this could be a huge catalyst. I don't want to get your hopes up, but it could maybe be something new. And even if it is something that's groundbreaking, chances are price action doesn't give a shit. So I don't know. Maybe it could be. Agreed. I'm excited about it too. Yes. Fair enough. Could be nothing, but it probably is. But hey, ORM. I've never heard ORM before. Never heard that before from Bionano. Really? Dr. Dean put out a YouTube video regarding that ORM before. Are you sure? Send me the link. Here, let me go ahead and look that up on YouTube real quick. Hold on. Go right here. All right. Dr. Dean, ORM, BNGO. He doesn't mention it in the titles though at all, does he? Or in the description, so we won't know. Oh, he does. Okay, he does. Okay, here we go. Novel lab technique by Bionano. What is optical replication mapping? Okay, never mind. This looks like it's old news then. Dang it. Okay, let's read the description here. See if he did anything. New lab technique they may be performed in the Bionano just have our device. Knows optical replication mapping. Its importance of this technique, and also discuss optical mapping and structure variations. Yeah. Well, it looks like that might not be new. It looks like that's not new then. It's very low chance of being new. I guess this technically this still could be new, right? Because technically this could be an old method, but the high throughput single molecule method, that maybe could be new with ORM. So I don't know. Also, if he did, why is there no article that goes over this then? I only looked at the first couple, but there's nothing that mentions ORM on Sapphire with a BNGO. Yeah, nothing. That's really interesting. I wonder what. Here, should we watch this real quick? Do y'all want to watch this? It's gonna be really boring. But what article is he talking about here? No. This isn't right. Yeah, DNA replication using optical genome mapping. Dude, this isn't ORM though, is it? I don't think it is. This isn't ORM. Is this an article here? Not found, man. Let me try it again. Not found. Wrong link. Send the link again. Sorry, my friend, it's not working. 768 right now. Several new pieces of news today. Very cool. Very cool day. Very cool day. Yeah, 767 right now. That's what we're at. 4% up on the day. Can we check the short interest? Well, 1021 is the last update that we had, and it was still up a huge amount on the day. And if we look at the short share availability according to FinTel, let's look at that. We're gonna end the stream here in like a couple minutes here. I think I gotta take a piss and I gotta eat and shit. So we're gonna come back later, I think. Oh my, look at that. Short share availability is super down. Of course it is. Of course it is. 500,000 shares available to lend at the start of the day, and now it's only 15,000. Wonder why. Wonder why. We both know why. More shorts. Higher short interest. Who cares what the price is when we have Richard Shippey? Boom. Yeah, but kind of. Just wait till he properly gets his feet under the bio table. If the approval, nano nozzle, and continued global Sapphire adoption, that's what those people, the new CCO and CBO, are going to help with, right? Jason Pryor and Richard Shippey. High short interest equals good? Well, I would say yes. There's different. Some people think that the higher the short interest is, the more shorts there are. The worse it is, the worse the company is, the more people that think they can make money on the downtrend. It's not true. The long-term put to call ratio is super low, which is bullish, as far as leaps. And I would say yes. High short interest is good. Yes, for a squeeze chance. Yeah, high short interest, it's only good, though, if we actually start going up and start instigating the squeeze. If the short share availability goes to 0, what happens? There's nothing really that happens. It's been 0 before. But nothing. It just means there's low. It just means all the short shares have been lent out to the actual bears themselves, and they're now applying selling pressure on the stock with that. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Okay, let me see. What date was this? 22 hours ago. What kind of site is this? This is a weird site. Is there any date in here? Please tell me there's a date somewhere in here. Let me see. 22. Anyways, okay, let's read this. In order to map replication origins, okay, yada yada. Yeah, this is the exact same jargon. Damn. We have developed a new approach to map early firing human replication origins by ORM. Okay, looks like they already have a direct label and staying technology as well. Yeah. All right, looks like it's looks like this is nothing new then, I guess. Is this legit though? Why is this not an actual paper on the website though? This is weird. $2020. There's the damn date. A24, August 24th? Probably. It's definitely 2020. Yeah, Powell was talking today, yeah. Hold on. I'm going to look up what Matt Hall says. Okay, experimental biology, Bionano. Let's do it right here. It looks like it's nothing new. It looks like it's nothing new now. I guess it is not. I mean, this is the exact same. Dude, look at this. Okay. What does it say? Where's it say in here? I just saw this. I'm so stupid sometimes. Yeah, okay, here. It's literally the first sentence. Single molecule level at a high throughput manner. Literally, high throughput single molecule method, ORM. And they mentioned ORM about 1,000 times in here. They mentioned Bionano. Yeah, this is. However, they do mention DOS labeling here. Not really, though. All right, looks like it's nothing new. I guess it's nothing new, damn it. Dang it. Yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. I copy and pasted the whole thing, Matt Hall. What are you talking about? Yeah, I copy and pasted the whole thing. All right. All right, I say we call it now. Well, yeah, I say we call it here. Last minute questions, then we get out of here. I say, yeah, okay, so we do got this. Maybe we will stream. The only reason why I don't want to stream this is just because I don't know when exactly it's going to be. And I can definitely see the situation where we get in there and it's a lot of confusion and we don't know what the hell's happening and when they're going to come because it says it's going to be at the 8th report. So maybe we just want to wait. Maybe we want to review this later. Maybe we can make a video about this later in the video today that we like the recorded video. I watched this beforehand, obviously, and then see where the Bionano thing is and then just tell you what happened. We can do that. I feel like that may be better. And then we obviously had the Fed thing today, which we're not going to do, I don't think, either. But we will do the Power Hour stream most likely. Go to the timestamp around 4:45. Okay, 4:45. This better be good. 4:45. Don't know if I fixed the desktop audio. We're going to see, though. Doesn't matter. It's only going to be real quick. Yeah, I'm going to... Power Hour. Yeah, yeah, we're going to stream Power Hour. Yeah, we will stream Power Hour. Yes. One second. Here we go. Right. This better be good. I probably will not be able to get the audio to work, but if I can, let's just see if I can. Yeah, I don't know why. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna. I know there's no audio for y'all because I can't get it to work. But anyways. Okay. You know what? Tell you what. I'm gonna watch this later. So I'm gonna watch this later because I feel bad because there's no audio here because I still can't get it to work. So, but I will watch that later, my friend. I will watch that about the 4 minute later. Basically, what we found out while we're dumping the downside now. Cooling down a little bit. Cooling down, right? Can't say dumping. Anyways, yeah, Brandon corrects himself when he says damn, but F words fly. Yeah, I'm a little bit up and down with the, yeah. Yeah. Put the subtitles on. Yeah, that's a good idea. I will do that. Yeah, yeah. But anyways, we will do that. I'll give you. I'll tell you what. I'll research that and give you a take tomorrow or today in the video today and the stream later today. But yeah, this is no. I guess this is the method itself is nothing new. Obviously, this doctor is going to be talking about this. I guess that's new. So that's good to see. And we'll be streaming the Power Hour to give the thoughts on this, give the analysis on this later. So yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I will put the subtitles on. Yeah, so you can read what they says. Yeah, I know. About seeing to hire global sales trainer and human resources. Job opening posted global sales trainer and human resources coordinator. That's a good sign. What was I gonna do? Okay, hold on. BNGO jobs. Yes. Okay, let's see. Come on. Posted 17 hours ago. Here, new jobs listing. Yes, I can't believe we didn't know about this before. I need to put notifications on. Can I put notifications on this? Yeah, I have job alerts on. I guess I never check LinkedIn. That's why. All right. Okay. So this is a new job listing. This was 17 hours ago. Committed to unlocking. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what they're actually going to be doing. Right. What's the responsibility? Okay. Responsible for training and maintenance of skills for global sales force for Bionano lineage and products. Is there anything in here that would be anything new that we don't know? I mean, it's always great to see that they're hiring more people just because, they got business expansion for obvious reasons, right? But, nothing huge here. Not as big as the as this one right here, right, where it says it has the look at this, okay? I mean, this is nanonozzle sequencing capability jargon right here, man. Oh, wait, no, not this one. Wait, no, not that one. Wait, where is it? What was it? Maybe it was this one. Is this one? No, it wasn't this one. There's one. There's one. The electric. Where's the? Yeah, here. This one right here. Staff electric engineer. I think a couple of these have some. This guy is going to have a lot of responsibilities and roles and stuff. But one of the things he's going to do is drive design projects towards a successful approval of regulatory requirements. Propose, design, and implement analog and digital control circuits. Dude, this is new product manufacturing and improvement in the Sapphire 2.0 and the nano nozzle probably and stuff like that. Putin says the USA, look at your own streets, nothing but violence. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Let's get out. I'm going to end the stream. Last minute questions. I don't think we have, and I already called for those. But yeah, we're getting out of here. Last minute questions, and then we're leaving. Hopefully, I'll remember to call, what's his name? Newsweed guy later. I have their number written down. 725, 757, man. All right. Have you looked at the marketing internship position? I'm sure you've imagined a scenario where you apply. No. But I can see why you'd think that. Yeah. Market's starting to dump bull or bear close. I say it's more likely to be bullish. I think the Fed meeting today is not going to be that bad, but it could be bad. Yeah, market. Holy crap, the market is dumping. Everything is red now. The Russell and the Nasdaq were green before, dude. This looks like an anticipation. I guess Newsweed's saying this because of Putin. It's just dumb reason though. I believe Newsweed, but that's just so dumb that people care about what Putin says. Whatever. K, it has an effect on the U.S. economy. Yeah, whatever. K, damn commies over there. What even is the Russia? What even is their economy? Are they socialists over there? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I need to go piss and eat and go do something else. How good does your hat smell? Oh, man. All right, let's get out of here. I'm in school for poli-sci right now, my friend. All right, let's get out of here. Thank you all so much, man. All right, let's get out of here. This is not financial advice. We will be back in Power Hour. We got great news, and we'll dissect this stuff more in the video tonight. Finally, we have a day where a ton of stuff happened. It'll be a good video tonight. Make sure you don't miss that one. Anyways, with that being said, I will leave you with a quick plug, my friend. Your favorite. I will leave you with a quick plug. I will leave you with this right here. The must-know. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll leave you with this. Must-know BNGO information playlist. If you're a newbie to Bionano and you don't know what the hell you're doing, go give those videos a look-see. All of these are still relevant to today. They're all still relevant to the day. And with that being said, thank you all so much, man. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.